ba edeba enkrahye nsem dwumadi a wo hwe wo Adom TV so me amete dwuma me de dwumadi ho chia me edi amje so ani ni takotego me giri se ho ye me mpa abo ne se otwedi ampono ade Yesu moja ebetwa ho aba ho ban na wana muntuo ade yedie abre wo no abusua no wo man ene so me koso aka ensem amato ne ni enyansa ensem a ehye nkuran wise words of wisdom. Wise words of wisdom that inspires you. And then Nyamede Bana said, a good and successful life will cost you something. Abrabo edimu, ya edinku ni debre wono, ejina bibi so. Infiri wiemu ene meto abrabo mu, ene infiri obiri ho ena beka wonsa, ejina bibi so. Ejina niyome bi wo ha obeyo. There are things you need to begin to do to make a difference in your life. There are things you need to stop doing to create ways and patterns for growth. There are ways that you have to think positively. And you have to subdue negative thinking. And there are attitudes you have to embrace. And for people who say we go abrabo eno na betimi adimu enti abrabo edimu brabo enkunimdie no awade edimu awade ede ode eba adesu edimu ede odeba apomodin edimu nyamesomo edimu no enya se wotu ke na beto kwantimfi ni nyina so ewo nneema bi abeye enneema bi abeja emu ayo ne de bisa ho se enema be na metame yo a yakwansidie de mame adwene be na medwene a eya kwansidie de mame empo adwene be na medwene a ema ehu kame na nyoma me kan se me ntimi nyo adwene be na de abufuo ebreme adwene be na de awerwo ebe kame adwene be na mame tete sa adwene nyina se wo jamu esan se nkunimdie ni nkugo ni nyina na ewo ne fapem ni adwene a wo dwene ni fapem ni suba a wo da die ni fapem ni se dia wo hunu ho fa. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily thoughts. Wadachi ye dear, or warrior dachi, or pomudne dachi, and put unyame sum dachi, or this year dachi, the yina so any new man wataya na abribiara. Any choir so edging, the secret of your future is hidden in your daily thoughts. And a pioneer you made the conversion of fast surgery. I've been better than your proso. I've been a fee, a bofiagene, a bufagene, yaudie, and it's a bobo. And no wow. It is sometimes what to are. Besides, I've been better than my dream proso. I saw a bema me couldn't be dear. Now, what Jim will not compare a general about drinking one, but man couldn't be dear. Says I would that and you know, so, edging a wild would that and you know, so. Ejanema wota akachira ho me de me nyeye me de me bibini se me nkwa bochira me nyeye me de me sei sansem na wo obi nka ho a wa na akachira ho no a odibu abamu a empo wo de hya ho so no eno ede wo daachi wo ye die ana nkuguo ebiom enema wota ayo so de yi ebia wo kwadwuma eye na wo kwadwuma so asem kwan ba so na afa so ye adwuma ye ne se wa kotena adwuma mkakao ana woton ade kwan be so na ofa so eton ade woni a woni won ye adwuma no nketa hodie te sen empo okọ a oba nyina no sebe woni nyankopon nketa hodie te sen eno be kire wo daachi ena me kai say the secret of your future is always hidden in your thinking patterns. It's hidden in your self language. It's hidden in what you do and what you don't do. Abusia obo asema brabo nko yie ma wari enye de me yade me hu de ya me na me suade en committee oboa ya na wa check wa dwene ya na wa check usuban na wa check se de hunu ho fa na hu obi sofa na check wo attitude your attitude a enfoni a wa twegu adwene poso ade bu abra e bia na usua no ye twamfoni bi go adwene poso se wo de on semfata ebia na usua no etwamfoni bi go adwe process wo de wo ye tietia nto hu nsem unimfa so ana ebia opekasa do nto wo ye otrofo ye twa mfoni bi eto wadwe poso a aya konsidi ama wo sa mfoni a ye twa go wadwe poso no bibia sequence obesa wadwe so mfoni wakache on say me sombo me dimu metimi ayo ade nyina ama na wie peyo me dai onyame bi ade nyina wie ne peyo me so metimi so nyansa etona muntuo mababa so abanfoso. Create a new attitude or mental picture in your mind and change your thinking patterns to change your life, your future, the future of your marriage, the future of your life, the future of your health and education is dependent on your daily thoughts. It's dependent on how you see yourself. It's dependent on the things you do and the things you don't do. Odachi, uye die, wenejie, ukan koni unkunimidie, infri bebi na beto, nyina so ene adwene a wota adwene da biara abrebiara. Nyina so ene emfoni a watwa gu adwene pro so se opese woyo. Nyina so ene suban a woda na adie, ene ma wo samu eyie, ne ma woyo, ene ma wonyo. Entinye nkonya ene de ti wiase. Life is not lived through miracles and by chance. You have to make choices. You meet circumstances and you need to make choices. And every choice you make creates consequences. Abrabono, ye won bibia ese wo samu ayo. Na obesamu ayo bibia, ni nyina so ene adwene abadwene so. Se obegya bibia, ni nyina so ene se obegya adekro no yo no adwene ho. Fanse bia abrante wasi so. Wo de bia ena me padwuma, abama madwuma me nya hwe adwene a wodwene no. Enti bia na amawa ya mre, wenda so se abama madwuma. Na so otimi dwene se me so meti ayo bibia. Bo se obekenya ho ape bibia yo. Enti adwene abadwene no betimi akenya ho. Ana adwene abadwene betimi ama akwanside bi ato abrabom. Abusua enkoyie. Atete pansam. Asai enya na kureda. Ehya ase afiri wadwene mu. Ehya ase afiri kasa aka kire ho. Ena ehya ase ene nyoma awota ayo nyoma wagya mu. Enti enkoyie a sakra nyoma awodwene ho ne nyoma awoyo. Na wabrabom be sakra. Aha na meja wo. Eme ahose pese wonya mre hwe eme. Na dwumadi efe ne badwam no ebekoso anesa. Enti enye TV ni mfiri ha. Me amede dwumati uncha me ediam nyeso ene ni tekotego. Onyame enhwe oso no mo ho ban na no wontina ene den so.
Tie nkranhye samawie de adru so no ye bedwam so kase ensam ne do so de obetie bi edese. Enkokọ adwadifo ese mperinfo de ndua begu edan anase edwano epa ye no so nanso besi nanya de se nchensen atumi abekuri so sanso ena guta mperinfo twemu a aban no ginatu ahodo a wotu no emedwade ho nsam eye den wo mayi mu pa Ghana mampanyis wakasa sem PP4 wonhwe no mo ntiri so na wonnante yie sebe ya enkunimdie beye won madi abato akase no no manfo bi so a wo ase north enkankan katamanso amanyoko no mo no wamwani aje pa san kunimdi aba weni nsaba hodo bi anam de so mo se bedwam so kase wuhia me ayafrɛ me anoche wa pa ajwa se wa fenchebo no mede to so amam enkoko odwa kase no emu aka akra me adru Easter mo no ene nsuka kraka bi to manfra me mu den epa eye edwa no eso na adom kase kro yai ene yede betu dwa me nam so na ne assembly no di birika tente edi enua ekokuri so na nso besi na ya ma ne bofo sa akobo apram abetu dwa se free se wodi nua no kuri so no nya de so wodi nchense abekuri so de sente adwadifo ni bi sa de ato adom kase nim se wo hwemensi no assembly ni se edwa no omekuri so ma wo
sese woko nkoko edwa kase ni mu a adan wo honom eso apane nyina eyensubrane bi a etoye ansana Easter bre no eba beso the free sabre nanko wo hwe kwan se assembly ba be ya ma wo mo nanso wo mo anti bibia emfree assembly no ewo senti sesei ede wo hapa na abro manfo wo nkoko nkanka eni dwadifo adom kase eni dwadifo bi etwetwe enkomo no wodi tu dwase bosome mienseni na saade yi esiye nanso assembly ntimi nyehwe emfa ho okire mu sesei ensuo to a ese wo mo enema woton no nanso ye kura na edan no adweregu wo mo so senti wototo asere ko west mensi no assembly sada roma omra meboa wo mo
bosome mienseni omo di nua guso sai omo be boso omo di nua ni guso ne ho mo biem ene de tene nsu brane na ni ma sa yesu ya batan ya ye adwuma ye de hwe ema no university akese ye hwe and the command is saying to me, Juma, and Obia free Sroa, about him tribune and so, at them to so, Mr. Imagine, from Mukofi, a come up one, and Yakatua. I don't know, Vanessa.
A bear was some mimi and Selena and Coco as that day is so pie. A so pie, among them, only we have a gusso, and we are a gusso. We book a matocracy, I say, or crown, and Chiami and what Nanaso. Our crown to so Muniska, from the say, Yan, in Suota, a gusso, a dear for rubber, and you never had tasso. Yeah, but I'm one a bee say, you are a sure 1 o'clock water from the year who say, in Sweden, early free until
Free Hodom na Yenko Financial Economic Institute wo mo ayejumadi from Kokora won Krakopo im najumadi no ase no na titina ne ema adwadifo nkabomuku Ghana Union of Traders Association charity executive Dr. Joseph Obin Waden Samutu dwatwese na se kame esa ban no ginasi ahodo a wosie nyina ye ginasi a emma dwade ho nsam entumpa wose bi ene eto me ensanya wosan ede bae wose ama edwano a wodie no ho so.
Financial Economic Institute at the World Financial Economic Seminar Tosumienu as a share so one clamantam emo, that it's our dear to sono, any impact of socio-economic policies on trade and industries. Nefe Kasafa Mahodwa, Asha C.A. Tumpon, and as she be peniphobe to media Guaquema, in Phoebe Brechi. Ababwa so sikasem ho haw ewo my Ghana emo. Aba President Odaguta ano Dr. Joseph Obin Adom kasi edin komono wochire se emre ya mu idie nhyehyɛ ya hodo Ghana ban no de gua kwam no entumi enwie peye ebi ne etom yesa Ghana ban no ede baaye ya na wie ya no enya nsunsanso bone ewo nnwuma hodo eso
nti de ne ye kan se enema ni bi on ma ban de ba no nukure ni ya na ema ye nsunsanso papa ba dodo no na nsɛmom de ya na akwese de emma ye so papa no akodoso etese wo hwe taxes anansen ye de betu nyuma so eno ngeka bia ye betumi agasa aban ho atere no eno nti na bia o ye so wo hwe abai ye start beginning of the year na a beginning of this government no mo say excessive taxation kills into omo atete ye tuo no so bibri it is here no de na ba ya afi de to no asaba bebunkam de first na ewo no
eno achi okasa ye de first kasem nhyehyeye eho ya wo kire se emfa ho sebere yi mu adwumako bi kwakwaji bosia se wade ebedi wonjuma no enya de so betumi ehunu mpontio bia
sia no monetary policy rate no be nam ninti na se wutua ayi interest rate no be 35% na
Free Hodom wana yenko amanwanse mu Ghana mampanyi His Excellency na Nado Danko Akufo-Addo wama akatamanso manyoko no moniyo eni tirinkwa esa nanu ada se North Abato ya ekoso a panyi James Jachi question edi enkudne ho ana mampanyi sai eche Abato commission se waye adwuma so pa afa aposifo ne bambofo ko yenso wambode moniyo nsema momo na yenso so nsentwerefo a yedi achi de so no mampanyi na babaso
Ghana mampenye na Danko Akufo-Addo nkasa yemu no oritu dwase enra aye humo bosome de toso aduonu nso o my Ghana esa hye kebmamen kebia memo ne mo kena wabra ase North by election ekoso ochiremu a o matitire ne awoda abato commission ene na bedwafo mu ne adwuma afenso bambofo nso oda wa mu ase se wo hye yese asomdwe beba ewo sa abato yi emu osanjina so ebo NDC amanyoko no abaso wonkunim a wo mu ediye wo fa sa akonya ne sonso editu NPP amanyoko no enimse onkoso wampem ko wanim esanse mamenka bia memumu no won mu edi ntwewum ena won mu edi nkunim so ewom esanti otia sidie obekonkoden na nkunim a wo hwehwe ewa bato mu no won saka
wase North Hokrod wano wabra bato ni nyina kwawie ye no Ghana fo bi kankan disifo a won potem ho no tigu monten so na ne momomene nsemba ne sodoku ahodo na woro mu twie no obi enya daje ne adom kase atwetwe nkomosi
ase North NDC amanyoko no chitafo edi dede ye ene anigye ene nam asimbreku ni nyina ene se ase North by election ekoso no NDC amanyoko no penimpa ugina mu ema amanyoko no James Jeshekwesen edi nkonim omanfo bi ni adom kase atwetwe enkomo ekere de ntia wo monam montere so wani agye
mi friend this for busia me busia na NDC mo MPP for the Adam Rofia blame metro ni no menina meje so man to ama mu ye ko jo man de city di kan e plan me plan ma be mu bu ba ku stay because the maya no ye ni aje ye ni aso pa e do mas
ye ni aje pa me de Ekins Frank no ase dancer me e wona me kira de na MVP for mother da ya che nka ye kwan ya o ma sira de me be gusi ye na tese kuma wufo etuno sika no mo de abaya je anadwo no mo che knapsack machines o mo che yeska ya diska no na se atwetri o mo e ba se ya chese 2024 ye ba se samba no ne ye hu se Ghana me ye mpuntu enye sika
ase mpuntu na ko mo ye
oh almost started here o mo hu se by election aba no mo started the machines be ku ha sisi am no kese o ma start air park ni o ma no ene se jo se o mo sanye eduma no enti no mpuntu de enye by election a enko mo mba mpo ma ye bi ma ye what I say ye by election we ya enko mpuntu ko mo ba ye bi hwase no for dey pa no betu adum sa point this o ma ya ma ye omo ye bi ya ma ye by election by omo de ma chise be gba he kwa omo je no ho
yɛmfiri hɔ no ma na yɛnkɔnsɛm foforɔ emu ana eku a wɔfrɛ wɔnom ɛho beautiful ladies wɔn akeka wɔn ho abom akeka wɔn sase a wɔn anuane akyama wɔn mu a ɛda ne duafie ne afei wɔn kora no a ɛyɛ ana wɔn ɛdeda bridge ase ɛwɔ mɔnte soɔ na wɔabra wɔtie nuane no na Ghanafoɔ bi a wɔn te mɔnte soɔ no wɔde adehyɛdeɛ to Ghana aban ne mpanimfoɔ ɛka bi wɔn anim sɛ wɔsrada wɔn abrabɔ no yɛ na ɛyɛ den sɛ nyɛ sɛ beautiful ladies mpo ɛbrɛ wɔn mu aduane a nka wɔnyini sɛ da no aduane bɛka wɔn ano nti mpanimfoɔ nhwɛ ngo no mam sɛ bɛyɛ nipa bɛnya sika na wakyɛ de nuane abrɛ wɔn abrane brane bia
Ghana de shebia impendodo na no wo mu eda bonten ene bridges ahodo ase edenkra ema ne Ghana ban ne se adawuruma won fa hyehyɛ bi ngwa kwama ebetumi aboa wo mu na won so asetena no won hotumi ahenha wo mu se wo mu echedi a o my Ghana mo ba ye den pa na ba no won eda bonten ne dia ene soso edema wo mu abra beautiful ladies edene ma bi kodom wo mu na wo ni adom kase edin komo no odin sem sei ena tudwa
bi no komo de me pa ba mem tumi kan benya bi de me da mase na jidie kwa ni musa na medidi mpo onza me jonya me dwalai me da mase wate nya me hira mo master me da mase wate da mo ye ade akopon obade na se na eda na akopon hira mo wate me da mase
nya me hira na o mo studio mo ye bia anko so why street ni so ai shiro fenye ju be ne de ye hoso sa so no be ne ye wo mu Ghana penifo mo hwe wo street ne so na se die emu edin more them up street boys enyahwe ozo na overhead na sia na yeda
mini jidie sa akọpọ da kom dia dem na fe nko na ma da asole mani kọpọ na ba na kọpọ ni bia pepepe me da ma sia akọpọ nhira mo ate je ye ho chiri yo da ye ho chiri ya ankasa ban ye ho chiri ya sraw sa ban si adwuma bia ni wo si a o mansu mu aye den okwa adwuma ko bi mo sika ko ba o chiri fi se oni bi
Enwachi, President our beautiful ladies nano, Wendy Samson, Echrem de Namsuntia, Womo etu sana moi.
Sabi omo de da bonten, omo ni baby da, obi owa ekomo de no. Insuo to kwa hwe se de insuo esi bo ama. Aya na mo bonti agye ho se. Eye ene Wednesday holiday sala for edi sala yeso ya kaya ho abom se ye be ya adoye ne ya hye ye nuanom a omo de da bonten a ye mo emo jollof fried rice ensuo drink yesa ma obia 50 cedis
nese nyameso adwuma wonom ekoye no emonten so eno no ne mfi hɔ no na unse no ada ne nuanom muslimifo wonom eda na sebana sa ya na wo nyina twahia be ye baako na wo maye esom soronko kora na akɔ adwase tweduma se a ebro keka wo ho bombo no na ho akɔhia se wo mu tum pai bɔkase no hyɛda sanse ensuka kraka bi efirase anopa no atigu gyina mbo ya donhore miensa ya na se mpanimfo hu ne se wo mu egyina mu yese wo bɔ pai a enyeyi Aisha Ekua Ibrahim na aboansebia
Sabodi wani atwa adwua sa Chaduma municipality ye no wasante mantam ne mu a ne ntia yensa aka ene se insu atobese don hwere miensa amenam sonte no muslimifo ho no mo nyina no wo mo edimpa ya nanka bo se wo mo ebo no wo mo etu sheda na se wo kyere modi a anopa no nso ena nsu no ehya ase na be don hwere miensa achi de na nya de sensu no ate ena mane so nti ena muslim mpanyefo wo ho no no ede ho ma ne bo ebetu dwa abradom kase edi mfide koju ho no no ebe mo de tuye no mo se ha adwen pa na foforo nso ekere se ala enanim de ye wo kyere won sem no mo no sei ena okan
amma so ne de sala na yantima nya den ensuo nti na yantima anya ayin sala no but emum de ahaye but mpanyimfo so ama ya hu say sala no 3 days nti say nana ya ntima nya na eno nkyere say kyena ntima nya sala no ti kyena no yebitima ya sala no emum de ha de ha pa but mpanyimfo so ama ya hu say sala de utimi na 3 days but emmo no almost kyere mu say emmo utimi ani a na wakuma mo no so ayedan ama agi sala but ade kyia etimi ya sala no yedan eto aso
enura na mpanyimfo ma yanya nintese nyame aduma ade chinda yabaye sala anna dodo na friend ije ada na ndade chinya no ensu kase munae ama nsu no to be 3 hours e sha 7 o'clock mu wo nti nsu no to sa ma no ko 10 nti yemu bi kura boa ya ho kura ko ba bia ye ya sore no na yokodu ya na yempanyimfo ma ya ti asese sele nsu na to na still e da so petepete no yentimi nye id no enti yebetu id na sheda
na mpochna wetimi ahwemi aye yemwa hadie dodo na nkumo mbwa sanse anti sallah because Islam run na wose we sallah so be kun aboa nti amaya antimi ankun yembwa no
na yenu ano muslimi fo wono musalla wodi ni bono na Ghana bampanyi His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo wodi afutu ama wo mo nyina se eya mo nyenyi mu se wotete akwada emfa na se bi be ma no de obo no ho kadure kire ye oba de ye obi abebare na ko enti no du be pempensuo bi ana bata ne twentwen wo mo na se wo nkwada no suku koro wo se da bi wo mo wani nko mo nyina ho pe onfa sika nhye wo mo nko suku papa na da chenso ontume ya kandifo wo mai
Muslimi fo wiasa fane nyina mu ene ede musala kesi afahye no hyehye so na afahye baako a osafa ne say Festival of Sacrifice abrodi ho dwumadi hyehye so man Ghana mu na Ghana mampanyin na Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo kopiase no ode tu muslimi mpanyimfo ene abatan nyina ne mu say wo momodin aso momadesua ehun behia mo say de beya wo modachi ebe kama.
This country has produced Muslim vice presidents. It should not declare to Muslim parents that there is value in educating their children. Our nation affords our children the opportunity to rise to the highest possible calling. I therefore encourage you to take advantage of our progressive policies in the education sector to educate your children, both male and female.
Enuachi enkramantam frafra Chief Abbas esoso de tu muslimi fo nyina mu se wonka mo hombom no mbodahuru emfa asomdwe eho
me pese me kabba obia se toka bia niso yema yanyina kabom na ye baako pe na ye ahene ye mienu ye baako pe tira pese me chia yemfa weni na yenchia obia kama
the cracker no ehofo ne bi ekopie dwumade na se ene mabno ne bi aso de nsam sei etwato
ayanjai se yebesira de ohe Ghana ha ya yesira de no bebre na ye muslim te ye de betu obia nim se sa nema no ese ye ntwa so enye sa yes ye pepe sa de yenko ye nim kura enam school a yenko enam juma yenko school te ye ni juma papa bia
yen leaders ahemfu na ewo Ghana no titire nkranfo ye nye baako ye de yenkunua adane politics sala ye di ka
ewansam krono ambo no so kopiem ewogomu akochi a ye muslimi fo nyina ba no de ne ho chief imam Imam Shaibu Idris no de nsam watu dwa de futu ama mabunu ye wonpotem ho nyina se wonhwe na enabo nkita wodi basa friend se be sibra no afa nubone nom ene esubone abeya kam eda mabuna wozango ho no wo monhwe nti wo ho mfiri ho se be ya sadin no ebesisa
Imam Wogomu akoti Imam Shaibu Idris edikokobo muslimi fo mabuna wo monpotem mo se wo mo homodin asenwumone wo betwe won ho edi afiri ho sanso na sebi jantrabra no wo mo hwe se wonfo won ho enkohyem na emom no wo memo madesua nsem ho ehia wo mu
so so munyankopa boniface na wo hwehwe enu kan so munyankopa yia na wa san kwaye bonifofro ti se da me ka ya nyame som no different se nipa ene salenti obekwa kono monsan abro ana obekwa ko furu moto no wo ye gidigidi ana obenum wi ana obenum cocaine ene de ekeka ho ene jomanbo ene enka enyame somo
Enwachi zongo hemfo ne bi ya wo no so ede to mabunu nanim se
manje wenye enkofa moto enkofa cars enkofa ayo ho samba nipa kwehwere kwa tama penya hwere kwa Ghana ke best Ghana si de si bia no hia bia so turu bafo na bi bia nya aso hia Ghana men
you gidi wo pese na unya quick money ubanya quick asem so ubanya quick asem ntimi ba chew amunya buchira na mu hwe amumpenufo amudi amunim kakaka up to now amu peska but enya 1 day and 2 days and 1 year and 10 years no person won yeska debi but take your time but ma do 50 years 60 years and sanan yango ban shira na de e ba wo na
awo effective ya aboto remofo a oya eye resa itim kwani biara obaba Ghana ha no this a krimonyi wo na etina ho de ono na oya de ma na mom ye hu de wo ka de bi wa asori biara mu na mom kremofo de ya zene de odanso wana ye di no odanso
de kase no asi de aduru so no ye hwe na ensaba hodo egu ya be fontentai kase no so myjournalonline.com adomonline.com afi so no ye be hwe na de obonkwata hodo mu nsabo no ye de nyina asom oman hene kwabna sante incoming the incoming wa ye krado en ye krata no so ekitana kama oman
yeah, not sure about it.
Yakudi sala naba. Kudi sala.
Bibi ay boko.
Oh nyame atom.
Good. Yeah, that also was so Ajibra also share Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV. So na ya wada June de to so adu no nkuno. Se oye kremoni oye madam fo na besi na no pay. Umbo utirimu pose o manya enam bawi ni biawe. Umbo utirimu pose TZ no odi bebreme. Umbo utirimu pose Chinkafa no odi be fan here, you better revise your notes. Alaji Collins Dauda, afibia minu ne di afi mente wonka. Ira Rashid Pelpo, nso me kayo. You know, e mane me kadai because e odo na moda ne di akire. Inti mesremwa Baba Jamal, mene wa na akọ preswa wa Sin North inti I'll give you the benefit of the doubt. Mo amaka de mu ni mo ho dada. Inti we so ni kwan say in Kremofo penyo wa hafo we so ne ade se me kasa bebre ti mesremo chief mam o fie de bia adwane wo ho ti metia fo wa no pay eti me kakai mo na hu me se maba o fie wa me kasa bia papa no obi anto some friend no ba anti enuanom Kremofo nyina no I am sure say majority of you mo chill ya kopim weekend no you have fun but monya careful na bibi antimi ko kama enfama na menchia Asen North fo nyina from Breku to Asempa na yet to Gangan to all those villages are a former Asen North. Menchia both the MPP and the NDC sympathizers and supporters no in the midst of everything the more demonstrating se moya busia baako mo pagya koso sa no masa de aba from boko basa ni ho ye bia antimi anyi ni ho sa but really it was a tense moment. Now was Asen North it was really tense, both political parties and more motion the majority say a crime bi so no mo so mo hye nyina atimi abam akodum pempeso bi mo amoji we decide mo amoji cafe no mo amoji sekan mo amoji sika nyina no nti
kakra
we cannot say much. We are heavy on it at 8 o'clock you better discuss it nyina but correlations to Yura James Jechi Kwesin say o manfo asenya omugidie asato abanama and to yenua Charles Opokunso better luck next time. Yenua ba Obanoa LPG also better luck next time and to the Electoral Commission great job done to the Ghana Police Service Mosuma Yejumapa and of course with your trusted partner in terms of elections your election headquarters Kokomoti Power Debiada Eshobo Yedebro. It's a Thursday and I can see smiles because when we say Friday abawi ama obe koko ayi ni wedding ni party senya adaje so ma abusuano the effort in ngum at this point in time again mo amasha se adwene said there should be by election mo trust adwene so enya adwene pa say when pi nyare and I say enya adwene pa it's not a good thinking yen hwe say yen wona biribia da 2 mission mo nsa no one be nyoma esefata in terms of impuntu juma ya kwan isuku ya pomuden wonsem ebe boy yi pa say if we really think on that line. Now for the politics of insults and lies, you're careful. A lot has gone on. I say not. A lot has gone off. Now, you're and trying your money be so. Could do be do pension? Now, it is said, yeah, I can't de not the inequality CSC. That makes us a beautiful country and a beautiful people. But any one can say a GT and one could do some pension. That crow bear da bonnet, ye. And share Casey and share Namontuya. In all, ye cost that Unyamia se, Ibia air basabasa, Ibia, Ninquenshabia, and San Fatani will be a Battalion, and Timian Kosu, was not by election. All the members of parliament on both sides, era 730, era Sam Jata George, great job, Muminam, Ubia Kole, Echo share in the camp, Ganga Odie. Phone and California has a 40 frafono. We na MPs papa ho MPs nina one of those languages no all the parties strategically na ecopeche campo about to ba na unse ni petron should or she trousers no na musa no ko and I'll be hosting one of the year account on the interesting among who crowing they've taken just about 3 weeks crowing and I think kushia a tourist attraction center. As it's so be a question. Baby, on here and Casabon is the cleanest city. Said the Musi Efe, who reckonuma, a chance to dear farm where I catch was said the other two Kuno. Oh, qua, Sa Pepe, and a sister of Macuno, and go for being account and go you be film. Into graphic fan to ensure fan to a broyer own fan to BBI a very neat. That I think Kushia. Nana wadaro manu peya chiao breku hini ye chiao asempa na ye ene gangan ene mia hodo aka nyina including bi wa obo a chamia mikurum kumawu anasa afu Kenya as che including bi obo otimi sirisa but they are interesting people, very interesting people. Inti obo won brano obati di enti America ase not for ho asema no pay anope de ebreba ho kwan na ye de nsema wodo etojo de work at na de bro, mini aba not chiwaba or the online stories bro, but always be grateful to God. So there then so achew. Na ade ba kwa me refi ni say nyame anim ni o osmosis na won tu kwan. So ko fa sin kwan no so pa sin fo su kwan no so a. Say Dubai chena na Dubai
say so maye.
F2 man.
First na nye
F2.
No man for soon ya na bridge bi wo ho.
F
na nye by say di.
I'm tell F am say kran kran maybe Morning Star area honom no and I'm there to F too much.
Very nice.
Yeah, F. The road minister and so as even though people I know the enka aquina no more say the cia na obey no home there but really only team no more ye juma ye pa ira mo kwanta grateful more ye juma ye best say free hui me ahodo breku park kwan area hono na mo ye nyina ye best say over Twakoso na Moyama Asen North addition.
Na nko yese kumaudi ni bi.
Wo mguso.
Omaguso
pa in fact omugu kumaudi so I know say from Ifijasi to Kumau they no mu trust no. I know say if I'm correct I stand for correction. I know say they are almost through. Okay. If they are not through with it they are almost through. Just more construction and there also. Tiedo Bibiase. Welcome to the show. This is Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV show. Mekao say it's led by Yankasinia Welbe Kofi Ampedu, supported by Aye Akwasisia Anafe Presi Ana Wana Kanyina. We are so grateful. We appreciate the team. Camera, sound, lighting for you now so I crowd Anafe Aye control for so a driver for so by. We appreciate you so much. Makeup for so Yadamasi. Those on duty this morning and those who will be reporting in the afternoon Yadamu Yamasi. Madarama Ana Aye a complete team. I did Badwam on Adom TV at the bro. And then ya wadan make out saying that you can see bro and come on so power ho and sana and wechino at the air person bro. Now if you win on pepe. Now cost account for my say cost share Adom TV if you say your nyoma a year that's fata at the mouth. Daily graphic and it is say Chief Imam then another Dankwa Akufo-Addo Nufo and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the president, the vice president, and the chief imam. Asem kesiye pa era Donald atoda patam actually they say things getting better. Economy grows 4.2% first quarter. President Akufo-Addo and it is akase atu jabran before that kesiye no ada na ekoso say ohwa oman no yesi kasem ne ntutu ne nhihye nyina no afide kakra emu epeja ejina yi pa nti enya rehemu enya gidim. YEA secures jobs for 84,000 youths in 6 months. Bosumi insiem pepepe a youth employment forum. Omusi nipa omotimi amo makwanya enya adwuma eye 84,000 bosumi insiem pepepe. Afera James Jachikwesin, correlations once again. Info yini ewa hanim say oye MP elect for Ascent North constituency. Onona ene court to kaze onko jina nchen na afraid the wasa qualifies for say jina biem wako jina asa tolo so aba wodi nkunim. Correlations once again. Or say democracy is about development. The ye nyina kabima minke bi wo chira adweme wo MPP wo NDC ni nyina no ni nyina ya ade ba akopɛ say mpuntu ni nsachira ye beba ya brabom ni asetrem eni ti ne pre konkan bebrebe san. Judge affirms judiciary traditional authorities partnership and President Lord's peaceful polls at a synod. Nana de Danko Akufo-Addo so wada synod for all the stakeholders as for a peaceful by-election akoso kama sa. The new crusading guys say economic review underway. Said medical catch on President Akufo-Addo nakasa and then Western Togoland members cage. One seminar that was in Libya. Say one eguswa aid ye kase de edoma to aban kukum. Any mape or say Kofi Chrome Pharmacy CEO, he's been adjudged outstanding entrepreneur of the year. Era a year Kofi, Marche, mi hu na che na enyem wanwa because Bribia Dano, the diligence out here with Jumana, it's so encouraging. So Kofi Chrome CEO, correlations, and the big one here. Ashanti MP silent over Alan Tremantin projects. Era Dakabre Anakase also call Asante Mantema Mashibi Jafono. Kum yana doso ira lanchamanti modin ba wabo asante mantem no wona ye mrashibija for asante mantem no asema e kum too much sa same way there eye anocho aba de be hu nsem bebrebe sa time na me no me sha sin nota na me busa say hold on yes MPP 213 NDC 992 inti ira me am nu aba anocho aba beti makam sa akode Yvonne battle over abortion me hu nsem bedu no obi a chena adwene okwanso ko so ntimi nkabi what the major man na what matchem and we live to fight again. His Excellency Donald Danko Akufo-Addo and akase as NDC's Jachikwesin retains a Saint North seat and to be na John Dramani Mahama. His Excellency the former president Opeja era Jachikwesin insa onyina chichi kama I see you don't see me chichi ni bi no ma share 6 more Papa View kai Papa V Western Togoland in Semno jailed 26 years. Edoma koto aban kukum ifia dwenunsia. Isanse na omuti mpone se ompeso omu eyese omunko ade omu content cro ana omu suse betim de ho ye ne basabasa e de aba and things will get better. His Excellency Donald Danko Akufo-Addo anakase anochoba.
The online portal no and samahodo e was say we both have daughters. Let's see what life throws at them. Yvonne Nelson to Sarkodie. She is also somebody's daughter. What is life throwing at her? And National Chief Imam leaves Muslim to mark Eid al-Adha. Nese no mo ensem no yenu anamo den rada na ja ekoso na nra o menya bi first time so menya ntu menya bi kwa nka mekoje fam ko
ya ndi
no se mekoje me se menya ntu at all cost.
I see.
And nra Mrs. Mercy
okay
Kisma ye grooming and spa
okay
on na ne dia
and I'm not bro there dini bi no
there dini bi nra me wo hwa na on ne husband friend so membeji na me kwa ne politics city na was am pepper opa de so no ansa na akodu fie
unisi te se me a enkowe nkemo for no review
omuto de enyini
ebeki ka osim ti se osmosis ye no de bia okra toothpick na me say akoda ketwa osiase nyina be emere onzo call dentist wache ye careful unisi a janamre ne obom kakabo na nyina akohishi na nso akofa problem there bro suppose what the make a
Intimidation, lies, and bribery don't win election. People's power does. There's a one more about woman and omode efutu. But you claim I chose school over the pregnancy, yet I had completed my coursework at the university at that time. Where yes, I could Yvonne.
The idea is you.
Well, Yvonne the true book, and then or tron a life story. Near ma wa femu wa brabum, and as I could ye copy mu say, maybe a chum somewhere in 2010. So I could ye saying. And now, or cast onkuyi because now I'm finding feet. Thereby, and let's say over a week, almost 2 weeks, Naja Brass, watch from a year no say. Sabre now, when your sister say, oh, me school into one, I can't say, or person and a bass and
why you as in rap now,
rap, yes, said they are responding. And Tikabutabe just so. And they say, I'm on me, and they say, and to be catcher, you won't say, no, story, Sakodi.
Musumo had you organ.
And you know what story. Oh my assembly minute on Tamwa. Yeah. Comedy. You also have the right to tell us what truly went on. And to know the need actual bookaba. And a brass then they have to beat so.
No, but Sakode is a nice gentleman. Yes. I'll stay off from all this.
Sana Abba, where you himself a fool or more no much say.
Yeah, serious. And rather yeah, Bani Tiwa Dum FM now. Omoka say a free near corner LPG, yes, a bini
ebi
ho enya se fan goes ni ho ebi ho demo omodi an say free neck o yebetu santin se kiu
yes
ade akoto LPG ni fuel if we say e kwan a omode beko bia omode ko fa saade na ba kwan ni papa enti quickly na say me check it from all sources meaning say na no pay era Abbas engineer and era Christian inti and the sector minister Amwakwanta. I'm sure say by now they are there. They will have to attend to them because utie die na mpemfo a wontu tanka ne kana. Almost over years this has been their major challenge. And anyoma na so omo no so no. They denche ba ko a.
Asamwa ba.
Nyoma betima say wo Ghana ha ne ka de beba no. E chance be by elections kwana yakọ so they should pay attention to. So I'm sure that this morning on by resolve now in temper because the shots yet to something for LPG. Hey, you know the consequences already. Yeah.
And see, I was saying, Badwam so near corner, kai say, abukansi, it was. Ya what then ye na, Badwam so near, Badwam son saying, come to train, therefore, Pomodin Hono, Yedisa and Comono and Mauna. Matna see the NS say, why not say, why in a champion, what's not to say, you know, say. A Givers Herbal Center na someone was say oni emedi nkita ho na wo moni ma papa e wodwa so enuro ni akade ahodo bi e ka ho no onfa ni nyina mo nchemu eman na matena sese nso na kai say Franco Trading Enterprise ekura me mu abrane the phones laptops printers Franco TV e ho Franco air conditioners ho tabletop fridges e ho and the CCTV camera ne ho installation nyina no Franco beye bi amma download the Franco app ne to phone so nani wo moni nkita ho e wo DBS Industries Limited say dan no wasi adum pempen so wase oboso am mmeboso ma wate enya boga nko na bodan so me ye fe misrew you've worked so hard so please reward yourself with quality roofing sheet na DBS nko so ene benya bi amma straight se men kan sure say enya wa wo obi adwuma nko ene yetiska ni bitu o ma wo ye wo ya nkra adwuma kra misrew wada boras net ene o moni nkita ho busumi bia say na pesem de to maninye nsi achi ba ma woni mo chena sem timisrew ene snit phone nkita ho na fe omonchechen kakran to one mama sabi adache omere wabom no nkokra bom no wani enye oyaya sanyumakwe ene kura mama no chwa ba matena se a mede sankomo twetwe ebro na menko wa hene wo na ye ni givers enkomo owa hene ma che kwa ba
oba fa mejoso apomboko
o nyankopon gusi sraye pa baby free bay oboko de ye ni givers honkomo
mama obi bi ache ama wakwa ba de aba Adom TV eso na ene me wa ha na givers enuro hu da ubo enti na me wa ha na yade ahodo bebre na adokro nkrofo ewo krum ha enti no behwe no na osode a se opa yade senti no enuro no ba bia obeti bi nka bia na odemrika na wakwa akoto bia no medumre bi kra de de kwa ha ne ade nyina na otete bi de hyehye ba bi ne ade abehunu no na akwa akofo ha okese e de abrese nipa kro no enti eneme wa ha me na oba be di givers enuro nwanwaso a esa yade ne tu yade na se deku no eho enkomo na giver GC capsules ene mixture ene ho enkomo ne me no ebe sha ase abona we no etu infection ase ya ema ne meme nyina da no yade se eboa o makoniasa nyina so etu o infection ase ede ma wo mo ya etu ase nso a enya marks bia e wo hono ebe kokra se infection atena so mfie bebre ni krampo a woto give us GC capsules and mixture ne bi eno mo abehunu se ebedu akagina mu na asesa yade ne nyina akwa akoto agu ama ho ato na yenhwe ni sei yenuanom manom bi e wo hono mo asebe mpreduasa enye ne pe se bi anko obekọ baabie na wakonya infection anso asetena mu abrabọ ne kukuruhwi ase ne ade enti no ne dumre bi krampo a ema ne bi okọ mo fafiri SHS baabi o mu dwade ne baabi asabe o mu gya wanan no bonso obi ho a infection no bi atena ne so ache ompa no nuabubre na akwa akofa asamaba ekoba ne saa no a onso kokodwo nso a na akokoto ho a na wanya yade ne bi bi di atena wo so mfie bebreni ya wo mo ba ya so ya yetimi kire wo kon befa so nuro no onom na de yeseye no udi so a bonso obewie give us GC capsules any mixture no enom no na infection no asietu and it is a white and aye wo mass yade bia ye infection no ebetimi atu ase na ehwe ni sei emema no mbi oho no masabe mpreduasa ni nua ba na se menua ba na yira na se ne nkanchema ene ne ehia ma ose o se waanye poki amame wantafere ma ade no ho amame asabe mpreduasa maninye bonse na obenzu odonti ene bibi opeso oyenti no na waje ahye no meka sei ebi abema no so de bema na kohhehye baabi a infection nkotwom ti abehye wanumu abehu ane se wonso no infection aba abegu wanum na eba betena wanumu afi wo katrema no ena eba aba affect no sanse eno ena eye mra yade no ebetimi atoso eyie ti obehu bi okra na ne katrema no so apaapai ebi wa na nsansan bi abaso wankasa asode anopa na wutwu sia wutwu katrema no so apampan eba no enye papa wo sa nipa we infection en wanya na wo infection no wanum ena wo na wo hia give us GC capsules ene mixture ne binom sa no mienu ye no mbom nti wo nom no ano na edu akagina mu a ebehwe na aboa wo na atu yade na se ede ama wo na etu ase nso amese enya traces bia ewo ehonom ene nti so wo hawa amabobo suoi ebi emu na wo hia se wo sa yade no a etu firi wo so afre 0501 556828 0501 556828 baby eton no bia no obenya give us GC mixture ne bi ato ewo honom na wonso wanom na tie emema no nso mode enie oba ne bi wonso se je so ye lokodo e de man make sense we bia na infection no bi ewo no so na se wodo katre me koye ye saade no a woni beba wonso ne infection no esanse wanum wo katre ma e na wode ye yenti no ebi beba wanum wo hia give us GC mixture ene capsules ne bi onom a ebe hohoro de afiri ni padua no mu ama de ebe ye nsuo asena kode ebe ye dwonso ni nyina be firi ho e de ama eno
mama din komo bi wa ha me pa cho sisi no bi asande me message se number no wo pedodo atu mesra wanu nti na wa ha eti mesra bo number ne ma na wo ntwo ne sisi e
a number no 0501
0501
556 828
na so wo pedodo atu
duduo bi a wo pe bia ne ba bia wo hwehwe wo hwehwe duro no ebia no wo fresa number ya na so wakotokra na se wo hia se ye nkyiro se de obenom no ebebo atu yade na se a fra 0501 556 828 eno ene number obefre na ene nkomo bi nso ame no eba abedie no yade bi ye infection ye fe no genital herpes na saa yade no na eba ema ne mema no so a infection ni bia oba no bonsa 7 preduasan wakosu akuma no ensansan bia ba begu ho ano ede kosebe utura no ho nyina ne ho nyina ayekuro nsan bia sisisi ho no mo saa yade we no setena wo so cha me se ebema infection no ano aye dene a bema bia ntimi ma won hyen sanse so oba no obebie so ne sekuro aye ho ma ya sebe ba bia oju ana afa kora no ho nso kuro aye ho ma hwan na beba won hyen biem wo sa nipa we no genital herpes no wan hwe ye be hawo ohia eye give us GC capsules in the mixture no ebi
na no so no na se meba hia mpa na no obi message o send o se o so obu ni nsa wie na o use sanitary we ni wie a febu okọ no na nsa nyina agu na ne se han wotre no agu ni nchen nyina na se no no enye adutuo enye bayifo
obi anya ne boni bia eye infection ni bi na etesa
enti we nya asore de mo de
bi we nko sofo no mo mpaye mo
oh wow we say eduro be ya because here
GC mixture and capsules
me kan mi enu bomu a
give us GC capsules no mixture
hey na
eno a nkakra na abon so obenom sachet ne ba ko be wie benom toa ne ba ko be wie no baka sa me kan ebetu yade na se e de ama mema nso genital herpes ne bi ye won pa bo nse wanhwe ye kura mpa wo ba na bema no o prostate no ho beka na odwonso a enye yie ni nyina e infection no e bi enti wo give us GC capsules any mixture no wonomwa ebomu a wo do beka samekan eti kwaso ana frɛ numbers no amede air to dwa no sɛ de be ya mpanimfo be kyerɛ kwan abefa so anom no na wo ye bema nso a wonom sa aduro we no entade bi ankane na wo hye no ye be mu agya ahye wo ba nso a sɛbe wo dwopo anasa wo panta wo hye no ɛno nso ye be kyerɛ wo de wo sɛ wo hye ya ni nyina bɛboa sanse sɛ genital herpes ya na sɛ infection ahodo no betena wo so a ensufin bi begugugu ebi krampo a sɛbe wo yu dwopo itu wo no manipa ntimi ntwam ho wankasa no wo ba ma mintufo sɛ sɛbe wo wo dwopo no wankasa hwie mo hwɛ na hwɛ center ewo mu no sɛ enya a kyerɛ sɛ infection bi ewo ho obi die ye nyan pa
na sɛ eno no nti na meto aduro no wo sɛ me frɛ mo
yes
na sɛ me di treat infection na mo kyerɛ me sɛ ma yo bayi ebi a wo no maduro no 7 days enti no saa wo sɛbi die odi siesie wo ho amo ase no ye mo asesa no esan sɛ bia na infection ni bi
akamu ebi ase de osi no kura no on hata wa awiam na de akosen dem ebi kura wonto
mo hata na mo de dado abɔ mo dwa ye gate achi a ho na mo hata pioto no se ni nyina no ha dwen
ai enoma infection ni bi ba ebi no nim ebi nso wo ho a ne namfofo a kye ne so aduro de sɛbe wokoto de hye wase a wase bɛkye wukunu bɛdɔ ne ade mmoa wa bi ɛwɔ ɛma ase wɔ no ma ɔmo ɛna ɔbɔ sɛbe wase no ho ban enti sɛ wodo nse wura ho di nno bi ɛkɔ ho no ekokokumba akokra mpo a wo problem be wani debi onyankopon bo ma no ono a no ni nyansam wo no se wodwonso a e wo kwan afa so a ase bi wo ho a e ba wohuru bibi efi bi aba ho a ase no e wo ho e no ye moawa e na epuba na wa wohuru bibi ade ama wo
enti na modro ye mfa nhye ho no
debi
ye no no
na a cleanse body ni nyina e de amounti ma me mfa number no entudwa biem se de be boa wo na so wanya dodo bi etuo 0501 556 828 0501 556 828 na anochwa ma memfa eye give us about Miss Chanso entudwa sanse no nso no eye aduro nwanwaso a ye de aba eboa
ensuo totoi
ai atidie mosquitoes no adoso o ma doso mimi say sentonton ba akopɛ ebesimi na ho kra menya malaria that's it nti memma give us about Mr. Dronim Pam. Na no kwasem ne se onom no wo de ebo ba ko bekum no ma mienu. Ebe boost immune system no. Enti me de me no kra mpo asa de me ye no no anopa bia me botot kro awia na ma botot enumre na ma botot e boost immune system no. Enye malaria no nko a ebe boa ama yade bia ebe sode se be ko atia obia no. Esan say immune system no wa ahode nti no na atu ase de ama wo. Ye nuanom ma no so omkwa fikyira se be mpreduasa emoja no e wo se ba nanso no no ne nanso na ba mienu ozo oyo okay esan pa de obetonti na ozuo de baba akokora mpo a ne nyame nam de na se bi gura ne de ma odwene se ye okay bisa se emoja no hefa na akohunta se kokohunta saa no a wanhwe de eniema ohaw bebire na bebre obe wo ba bi wa ne wo fepa na furi se be ebu ato akosua kuma no so ayi so de dua kura sum ansa na watimi aye adwuma no ne nyina aye problems enti unya give us heba mesha no ebinum a ebe na ne emoja no aye adwuma kama ewo mu on say akomaya de no a ebe nipa so no sa akoma ne ye adwuma aboroso na se entimi emfa entini no moja ne emfa entini mu nko na ase na emfa midika tentensa amakoma no mu a akoma ne ye adwuma aboroso na moja aboroso ne ba enti esikyire yade fo nso the same thing eno nso no bon say aduane glucose na wo say pushi aduane no ekro no entimi pushi enti do be wan say afi aye clot na wo entini no ho eno na ye esikyire yade enti unya ye nnuro no ebi no no amini aba ma ebebusu immune system no ebetu malaria se e de amaw malaria no se chewa awobedo utiri be paw wanum beto uye bibia enye yie na oto ase twetwon ne ade
ehe na obi benya nnuro pa bia
ennuro no ba bia ye ton ennuro organa bia pharmacy shops eba shops ahodo nyina da menu aba ma akwa obenya bi ato ho nti frɛ 0501 556828 0501 556 828 odi o frɛ yɛn a sɛ de aduro na wo se yanum no bia no ye be kyerɛ okwan be fa so na wanom no afi duduo bia o pese oto bia nso no o frɛ saa number ya ye be boa ne ya kyerɛ wo na onom nso a bonse ebedu akagina mu ama nsɛm a ye kan no wagye de ahunu sɛ give us ye nuro no papa na anɔche wa me wie no ye say give us TV aba ɛno na social media so YouTube videos nko na edigu onye se mu de bi ye de no ye special way ye no nti no wokɔ YouTube Give Us TV ye no ehu nsɛm nyina dodo no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛna afi sinim pasre ye be mo asere nyina so ebi ɛwɔ hɔ no mo ye da se abusua na se na na wɔ hene champon no wo free Give Us akache ɛna aba na said ye di apomde ho nkomo no de omo ma ye no na wode amame so mede bi ama wo hia me afrɛ me anote wo aba ye da ye ho aba sese de aka che no ebeto so na ye de akoguo no ye set na se bedwam so ne na anote wo aba metena sese ye no nim se apomde ho nkomo no wan ye die sabre no mene Sadiq Abubakar de betwetwe nkomo na Ba Herbal Center na wo free muni budada se omo na ye dompemu expert no enti ene watena si de yenko ne yenko hwe no ahonko ne yedi ana se ebi fufuro bi be wewere mu amaye Sadiq mitie di ndia na se nra no na e baraka de sallah eno mo jiso se baraka kade okay enti akwaba
ya ena
no so mo kan se
o se akwaba
no sendezua na mo jiso se
senu
kade enti ene ya tena se Ba Herbal Center de na mo de som ye
yo am say ya de henchi akase e ma hwefo nyina na ya san arishe omo ba nchen omo yenkremfo baraka de sallah na Ba Herbal Center de onim say de dompemu aya de hwede ya idimu akotini pa enti no I say enra ha na afofida no ya makwenya hadema obi biara oba ya so se bia odi dompemu ha wana se ya de bia de ba bipi mo ya so bia no ya de a ho akwenya wo ho na se obenya 50% discount ewo saa ohawo na odi ba bipi mo ewo ho no so enti na ebia na amanfo bibre ante ana se Adom TV ahwefo enya sa akwenya nti na so ya san to aso saa ewo ya so enti obi biara odi dompemu ha wana se ya de bia tete woni pediem de odi ba bipi mo Ba Herbal Center ya de itu ase na mum no odi ba ho ne de a anase na achna ni na no obenya 50% discount eno ewo Ba Herbal Center edema ene ne china yes
obenya 50% na se mo ye lab ne bibia wie na se ka na 1000 Ghana obetia 500
yes obetia 500
oh wow
ade a ere ama e manfo unse Ba Herbal Center de ye pese obi biara wo hawo bi e woni dompem no ade asa hawo ne firi anam put se ya de bia odi achia ko ba bia ho e kranko wo de ba bipie mo ya se ho yitu ase krakra de ama wo hu sampa wo ko ba bi ne mo ba bipie mo Ba Herbal Center de ya de oba benya wa yare he ho unse amanfo bibre na ba bipie mo ho no nyina no e referrals obi wo ho a oba ba bipie mo ho enya na yare he na wa kire obi so chale me ade we ha me no aha na me de koi ani nti na se yes ade no e de ama amanfo a ye ne omudi djuma o ya se o nti na se extend no e de ba ha and I'm say be a for hanso enyante se bibisa ekoso enti na e kan sa na se Ba Herbal Center de dompe e how de se bia akwanhia no wenya hana odompe mu abu ana se bia okobo emre bi na odompe ne se afekire ato afa ho na bia ne he de how abrɛ won se nso weda na sesa nsu ahya se gugu emra weda na sesa ya wo bai pe o te se odompe ne mu yo ya anampo se ne bro ne friend se rheumatism sasabro ene how ebu biara ade ba bipi mo Ba Herbal Center dompemu ya de ade ba bipi mo ho ya de etu ase ede ma obi won so ane de na arthritis ene ha no arthritis no say o joint no ne hie mu no na o how abema na ase bia ho na ho no ebi o yesi o nsu agina o kotubim o ni na ya de bia ade ba bipi mo Ba Herbal Center etu ase ede ma ede se bia o ba akọ asan ede sa o how na ba bi ebi abesan ba ho de na o na odi obi fufuro ne ba na ase bia ade foforo ene hawa o de ba bipim asio
enti obi awoba ne ba no ba ebu ne nana yesi na mutimitene no
ye timitene ni na
eno mo je surgery na say
no ye nya surgery ho ye ho no ya bibiduru na de say ade ahaban na ye de ye sa adwumadi
na ne nan na timi ate
betene biem
de ne nsa so achi ahwe na chise so mutimitene na nya surgery
enya surgery ye ho no mo ye ni surgery machine bia ho ene ye ni surgical room bia ho ha ye ko surgery obi a waba ho da bia nim say Ba Herbal Center de oba ho bibiduru ya ha ena nanom de sam ho ya de fititete na no ana Ba Herbal Center yusu e wo ya se o ne mum ne tie ne se bia o de ya de ne ba edi kan wo mfidi a de we nipadie ne hwehwem hu se wu ade we no sisi na ha wana bia o underlying condition bia no so ka ho na yesi yetimi ayi den ahwe asia no kwan e de ama eni nti na ma Ba Herbal Center ho ne yeso no kono enye surgery ene e ho ne mum no o de dompe ha bia ba se na ti bia no ye be sign
kame ba age difference so ntia nkora de ya na ne sa no ye easier na de wanya bro mfinhia aduasa so no nda so ho ma no
oh yes once obi okra na ye kan ne de no de akopie ba bi e me ye ma no but later no hawa sambem anampo se bia na ka osese ne nke tene kra no na ye tsese ne na net ye deda no sesi no okọ ho ne ye san di si anima no a balance o de ba bi pimo ba he ba center be san script na ma enti ye mfa se bia wanyini anampo ko ba bi mpo e me ye ma na wasenya ha obi ma o de bra ba he ba center ye ho no de oba don pemu ha o de ade a edimu atenti mampa obi on so ana spine on say bia na entrance ye na e do so abra adwuma o ye na entrance bebri ana ngina ho bebri aniti so spine mu abi anti ye ko operation e de dade bi akwehyewa ma no bisa ho say so nkwa na nyina na o de dade na benante na bi ba he ba center ye surgery ho o ba ye de haban na de betoto wachi brem no so na enankasa san akasi ani bi se na net ye kan na
se ni da so aba o because minimum bi a nkwanshianti wonya dislocation
okay
se na spine na dislocate here freely sisi kasa ni mu no che se dade nyina akohyehyem so wanya adwuma na se obi anya nkwanshia na nipa no anida so asa dompe na bu pain kura no a
o ba he ba center de me de bia me kan se o de oba na se bia e ntimi anya ho ba brabeji usika o de brabeji enum pu de oba nkwan de no be kan ho asem so o de se oba na se ntimi anya mo de sambaji wa de sambaji usika ba but se bi insurance wo hoda se bi dompe mabu ama o de aba ho na asan de akofie se we nya results e bi nsida
obi nso de ase de kan akomo ma sorosoro no a de dade akohyehyem ni ade still no a otiase a ne ka wo no oba botimatu ho anamo ama no
o ye be ho aduma ma no ye be ho aduma ma no entina me ama hu se we no nyina chire no ma ye je ho abasbody o efi 2021 had ba we 2022 last year ni na je ho abasbody ni na dia dance se Ghana ha na West Africa ha de do pe mo aduma pa de ba he ba center ya de ho ye pa
enye surgery yese mo be pai nipa ne na animu de dade bia wura ma wi abe pamba kotwa be dana na
obi amfa se kan kan ho o de oba ho a bibiduru na haban na de sanku nyani na
na se de mi hia ne gidia na mo ametu am de be
ba bi pi mo ba he ba center ya se o
me pa cho number no
okay enti ye kan say on say ye wo asemi no enkran ha ne kuma se bi ya bibia wo no o ben kran de a anase bi yawa nkran ha na otie de na number na 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 where omo nkran ha ene important na mum se bi yawo kuma senso de a ene na baby a friend say atonso agugu aban resabia kese na chi open number no so 0244 083 482 0244 083-482 and then numbers I did ma oba heba center mu biara be free bia no e beka kopi mo Dr. Bana kasa so na che se bia how bi ho a ye bia ya ntimi anka ho asem ha ofre a obetima age emu nchire mu bia
ye nim se dompe de de ma je ho abaso de ye mfa no no nsi nchen de biem na ha me betimi de abada ba heba
oh se na me di kan ashasi nim no se ya de bia how bia no de ba be pi mo ba heba center itu ase de ba se bia o de fibroid ene de o de chinchin wakwe hu ebia surgery crapen ade na san fifi bim o san pe another ska wakwe hu surgery we say so for how long na be cause why surgery nti brabe pi mo ba he ba center ni ntu ase prekopem fama o say ede na ya bibido nti no ekọ na ni na afri ni pedie ni prekope ede ma o so bi o wa enam fibroid nti na fu ai kase onam krabe kase onyam anam po se bia esi na wo ho kwan kra nti me wo na de akwhye abro bi oni fi ni na so bia na onim say fibroid na tete nti na ba he ba center ba edi kan eyo ni pedie mu hwehwe mu kane ehu say fibroid dia enye operation ye de bibiro na be mo anom na akwakọ na ni na afri ni pedie mu ede ama sa nso na ba ma bi ono nso etwo na ha no there say hernia emfa no bibia wo say wo yemu wa ya si wa beto hwa na benu ne kese wo senate bia no o de ya to ni din say hernia na say etwo na tete wa na nkoro de ya de na ha no ko de o de ba bi pie mo ba he ba center ni na ye de bibidro eni to ase ede ma na afen so obi a ono se na medical candidate say o spine eno so o de ba bi pie mo ase ho a ade a itu ase na enemu yade sexually transmitted infections e mu biara de ba bi pie mo ho bia no ade a itu ase ede ma
ni na no
yade ebidru ene sa yade ni na ede ma
but your location ni bio
enkran ha ye oba bi a friend suspenders nti ufa ka oba bi a ka so suspenders we si o 18 junction we si o 18 junction so abun say taxi fo bi o ho buludu kayam se okoban heba center mo do ba bipie mo yasio sense we kuma se dia na se no so baby a friend se atonso agugu enti wo fa ka baby a de so ko atonso agugu wo si wo bus stop wo pe aban ya resabe akese na chi wo pe na obehu ban heba center yasio no se na medi kan da se enkra ha numbers no na 0244 988 004 0244 988 004 kumase enso ede ne 0244 083 482 0244 083 482 o de frɛ doctor na chen say o te say de ka say special offer bi a de ma o ma bi pi mo ho na yes 50% discount o de frɛ sisia na on sabe count de say na be aba bi pi mo ho a so ayare hwe a o hwehwe no sabe count ba
say de ke da say so na pomode hu nkomo so na yedie me no hu se bani agi say yi na wahunu se adwuma me ye ntenase adwuma o timi dru fi adwuma ne manya Ghana bam fa bia ntwetwe me dwonkuni me sisi ne machiri a ene me ko achi ho no mo na brade na se ade chi ahomachi e be ye den enti me hu omo say ya na mani agi pa enti Ghana Help Therapeutics na opanyini ba ko fi ho no maba ye ne bedi nkomo Dr. Kojo aba watrase fefefe amara ye kama Kojo Mache
nyamya dumo
enenso se da foforo
asemu
ndo na ba
aba
mo packaging de bia meka wo ebibi do mama na ya akodo sa no wow when you save there
save 500
yeah. In fact ebibi do na say de mo packaging de ma ya akodo ya ka je say ebibi do a wan hwe a wunyini save 500 and we know ade a
immune booster and as immune system enhancer. In other words, no, esiesi ni pedua no, ema ni pedua no etimi gina ho, ekutia yare bia. In fact, obi a onpeso be yare, and as obi on onpeso be twense yare be bono, and sina we tu ho na monso kwakosa no yare no. Edro we pa na ohia AC 500. And na the man dance no say immune boosters bi bu dwaso. E bi bo ni pedua no by every upper respiratory tract infection, to say common cold and flu, catarrh. Ebi nso timi ye ebia malaria, ebi timi ye typhoid, but omuntimi enkuntia other diseases. But when unique in the sense that it me ebony bedano buy from every infection, every disease. Into Arabia no do etimi etuase even cocram, any cancers etimi resolved perfectly. Aside that no embanso ye nkrophobia sebe yareta koma sepa. Into do we etinya engineer in such a way say oba sebe insure eteguno and I say infections. I want who especially odepo candidiasis and I say syphilis and I say gonorrhea no. It do we pa na omo ehia. Obabi o ho a ne time so say was oyebra. But also diapers frequently because insure eteguno infections at hand you know. Obisa no onya say 500 a. Ebe yi sa yare one in carbonic netting efri ne ho. Aside that no so ema oba ase fresh and tight. Into a bar sebi wawo I won't say ho kwan ebi anaso bi I won't say bi awase to kwan awase kwan no won't say ayed kese beyond normal no e draw in a bit me asama na back to the normal size into amount we clean amount we fresh amount we tight into draw there emba our fan draw no in fact on fe ndi agro emba mfe draw ndi agro nti me gidi say wan gasa kra no obeso ahwe na echi wan gasa wa be edi ho da se nti your friend save 500 into you draw bi sebi yensi no form cry yendi ho agro na uyi no free ho nso a ye sanso wo Prostajoy the entia Prostajoy no ye ne say ye di mambema some time past in mbema di 70 years and above omota nya junso mu yare it is because ya no prostate gland no ye kese but see an statistics am who say are dropping from 70 to even 40 and below in the sense that bema prostate has kese right from the age of 40 imikra 21 years, maybe 25, maybe 30 years. Na ashasi ekesiye. Ni enti atesa ne ze be me bia no nyame ball no the prostate eka ho. Into unyi na ni pedua no every part of your body ekesiye no. Na wo prostate no so honam akwa no so ehya se ekesiye but because of bibia edano bibia prostate ne edano eya na ewo dwunsotwa na sepe na duben bi eda dwunsotwa no mu a pie be memu. Nti na ma ye dwunso be dwunso ne pie. Na prostate no etwa ho ehia
said your manfo hwe ni te dan ni
na prostate no
de kore ka ho asem
etwa ho ehia
sa
nti prostate no kese na emia droben nti Johnson entimi enye den empie yi nti ahyenso de omote hu ne se obi obo se obi ko Johnson o gina ho chepa o chepa so bo se Johnson beba na kakra bi ene che se prostate na yakese obi so betimi a chimpa o chimpa but still Johnson beba na kakra bi obi so tumi Johnson wi otimo se Johnson still ebi do na essence e o ma ya se obi nso Johnson a obu Johnson no tot nti fe but Johnson den ke ba ke o se ni nyina etimi eba street and obi nso timi se Johnson na hoode na ede eba no ahoode na ofom Johnson ne ba na esi ni trust but Johnson den ke ba
o se to ni hu se ahoode wade ni
good nti o se to no se ni Adom bridge no dade na good sa na e wo se ye but se Johnson entesa eye asenso je e kire wo se wo prostate honam akwa no e sha se e kese obi so Johnson a na ba ko afa left na ba ko afa right
so no be wontafo
na ye mate ye cancer nipa ne be wontafo ba me se ye prostate gland no e na aye kese nti ye asenso je e kire se there is something wrong with your prostate there have been obi so ha Johnson intent kakra no Johnson and no so the prostate na dem aye kese e na ye woni ono so ontumi enkra Johnson enche se Johnson de no na se wanye ntem na se wentumi kan ko daria wa sai no hu nyina ono so the prostate na dem aye kese ana ye woni a ono so Johnson no aloke embakra ni nyina beta na yase
ono munsuo bebrebe ni nyina Johnson aloke
bibia aloke enti oye na adwen se me kwakọ Johnson afa Johnson emba bi enti Johnson te me sha na yase for 1 hours enti o se Johnson emba no bo se na fa na yase ashase eye kese enti eti ma pressure na ebe kese te sense e ma Johnson ni bi esan echi ekora sebe the kidney stimo enti no so etimi ba kidney no or how eden eba ho yare etimi kidney scratching eden etimi efeli enti obi san agese e ko hye no ye the rubber e the fan the bememo na ye the akoto ne junso twa no mu ye the catheter hye no na ekoda junso twa no mu pensan etimi edreni Johnson no when you know prostate related disorders and instant nyame adem yetimi a develop a drug friend prostajoy na the man dance when say endro wo dwaso a wonoma ebe ma Johnson but entimi emma prostate no entwetwen entimi shrinking no and enia etimi abo prostate ne kakran so ne friend 5 alpha reductase ayabrofudro ye wo herbal ndro ni bi on so etimi ejuma te say 5 alpha reductase no but bo prostate no block be ma hu so bi friend testosterone and it's our testosterone emra edro no block is our testosterone from being produced by the body no what the edro no so a wo be ma ewu enye adwuma biom nti be ma ntimi pejanity kra ewu kojo to ebi ho ase pejanity enche na asan so ade out of form ekum watenka eni ho biom ni atenka se oni be ma na oni oba ehia wo hunsuo emma da there are instances hunsuo ni ete se eba a sign echi esan so ekora na junso twadu mu ntefa ne retrograde ejaculation obi nso nom se do na pempe mu sha ase se epa ne bu so mi sha ase se ere ne anyi o no nyina ere sha ase se eko because of sa testosterone na edro no esi ho kwan se ni pedia na enye nti a side effect enkrofo enya as a result of sa endro ahodopia mu yeden omo enom enu nti no ya develop edro we ya etimi eboa ema prostate a aya kese no etimi etwetwe without say without affecting your testosterone iti we no testosterone and fan in sanka no wo no no prostate ni betwe all right but wo be san so aye be ma in fact
esa ye adwuma sa de wo say
adwuma pepepepe wo ni any adverse effect wo ni any side effect whether say wo fan mretiawa anase mretenten wo ni problem bia it is safe
it is
100% safe and now when you crypto 400 the very first time in the history of Ghana and West Africa itimi aye malaria drug ya capsulating no herbal plant related in dry herbal medicines ni nyina no aye malaria no aye insuo na etawo dwaso na malaria drug bianso nim se aye nyopa ne nyom aye den aye nyomte na nkrofo enter empenom intina eno do emma ye hu se no e wo se itimi develop a drug in such a way say taste ni betimi amask no na ma ye develop crypto 400 na a drug so powerful in such a way say so malaria on senior tibia no wo asese wonu medro we within 3 days pepepe
what's your friend say
crypto 400.
Crypto 400.
Yes.
Yeah, our pharmacies.
Our pharmacies.
Our herbal shops.
Our herbal shops.
Because malaria do there. O many kwade do minimum this will pay you drink.
I several.
And to my no
capsules. To pay.
I ain't come catch them.
I ain't come catch them. Into my own shake cry. And I think I phytosilica you have buy anything and I extract it. I have buy no more. You know that is one thing that makes Yendru different. Most of the herbal medicines no amo Yamaha buy no. Now amo the good capsules to but you know you quite the extra amount. Yamaha buy. You check aduane emunsuo any emu ahode ne find active ingredients and na you concentrate you share it na you dey encapsulations you formulations into mo say yendro no a lot of science akum prostate ndro just for example prostate ndro bi how far no 6 in the morning na anajo wasa for 6 capsules you can imagine edro no fa nyumre it tells you say edro no ahode no form the therapeutic dose no form. But comparing that to your prostate joy, you just need 1 capsule per and upper. And I do call that one capsule. Now, a brand here, sebi, on person you're any canon because there may be a prostate into also train. Good. Precisely. Into me, as I say, oh, you will do it formulated in such a way, say, as a preventive medicine, prophylaxis. In that case, no branch, no. 1 capsule per a day. Yeah, just 1 capsule. Good. One capsule a day.
Okay.
And I did back also I want to say, the most dangerous part of the prostate area is say, obi or asymptomatic. You can't be asymptomatic. You are no prostate in your but sign there any so say nipa no prostate. The only time I be say me wa yare no a da or you na adwen say me sorry am match na adwen so no ember.
That's how times na dream.
Too late. And how then I too late. Once I was here Russia. Near the Rob Biden.
A question of money. Yes, I will be pen to pay be to be
all licensed chemical stores, pharmacies, drug stores, baby Abekobia Yendrono, Oko East Cantonment Pharmacy, when you be NS your fate. Okanshi drug lane, ubenye bi ato, Ahwefa, Kaswa, Jokat, ubenye bi ato, Danny Herbal, Danny Farmer, Kolinak, Sam and Kokumasi, Ohonina, and Koko, ubenye bi ato, Hillside Pharmacy, Wuskobi, or Hinana Ewo, and Korea Gaps and Nina ubenye bi ato. All the way from Tamale, Pike Gobila, Dokuloku, Kalamet, ubenye bi ato, Upper East Region, Benzine, Enswell, Alhaji Walwana, Alhaji 1000. Nina obenyi ato na the numbers no ahudo mienu your numbers na mienu 0244 72 70 28 0244 72 70 28 and 0244 75 43 80 0244 754380 and I said we are LTL user 80 you see I'm going to say from 80 so we are 80 user and so I bet me after 0276 814884 0276 8148
yeah, that's it. So the edinkomo anopai. Ebusia na say doctor no kojo watna say na say edupa no de ebre wonti ehon kobo ne yedi no Ghana Herbs Therapeutics edupa pa e pharmacy na etwagu awohwe bi ntu pebito ne no na wo yade na sintu na me kona de na happy birthday enkoma Reverend David Aboaje Dankwa wo ye chairperson ma Santi Achim Presbytery no wo yire Mami Evelyn Aboaje Dankwa ene Oma Priscilla na afa Grace Samuel ene Mercy say daddy Nyankopon Sra onye okese nyamedwuma no wafa adwuma pa nti Nyankopon ma omo ahode ma omo sika ne mu nhire nyina no wonfa Emma Reverend David Aboaje Dankwa eno no mikwesu na mechia eye Mercy e Kesma Grooming and Spa Nyankopon Sra no ho ka forward mo ye ma ye nyina abusia wo hia me a e afre me anochewa ba ajwa sewa na me kono na kai se o manye ne kwabna sante ede mpense mu ebro enko bebia
kwa babiem bigiri se obia ho ye ade ache bia enenso ye yawada ba no pa onyanya oricho kwa mesre wada eni bubobi hyehyehye efa ko onwuma so ene beboa mu anya ahoden ede akosum o man Ghana nkwara no so bebie school mo bi no monom emfa nkọ richoko de ahodi wom eyanka se koko so de perifo aka to se ebie nkwada nso adwemu pa tunya richoko atim se bibie ekoye de ama alpama sem yetiawa yewie ase not but yenwie. Now before that, last week na me do kobo about agenda 111. Me ma feelers bi ya this week sebe ye adwuma starting ye adwuma. This week from Monday ekosi ochina Friday, Dr. Insia Sare and pedifua ewo Ministry of Health ya agenda 111 si o mana so gusu wasantibate na dwede e kase mi baso. As part of Minister's press briefing, yeah, Ministry of Information, Honorable Kojo Ponkroma, and Ediani Muntin, and now the pay 10 o'clock and 4 a.m. press conference. Near to the state, yeah, agenda 111 Ababedru. And 4 Bobu Achro, say agenda 111, yeah, my pen and now the damn Kwakufado, and it's so from our trader in the Ashanti region. No. Efishabe semienu entemnie ehefa na ababedru tina no panondu press conference shi ebaso yeda office of chief of staff ase Ministry of Health alamase Dr. Siasa no team so mayade the Ministry of Information headed by Honorable Kojo Ponkroma mayade say ni echichiro man no o man echichire ni nyina ese Mama amanfo no ehuru ne ekoso people must know. Tiere Ghana for ni de akire no ndi pepepe nyina behwe bi. Ni ehuru the state of agenda 111. Anopa no di pepepe na sa press conference eba so. Mama fa ko ase not. Me bo video bi a kire there some few minutes bi. His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo on Sunday, 2 days before a synod by election, my pennies has some two. I'm sure video never do anybody see. See video shedding. Who free live on Facebook Adom TV, live on YouTube Adom TV. Shema pen and Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo video. Never see.
Yeah, kind of grand swap. It's in there. Ekosi January the 7th, 2025. MPP abai na woso. MPP abai na woso. Enti asemfo wo ba be so obi akoma che bedwe mo enebra. Mo so obi aba be kan bi before. Anya me be edin faso be bra mo. Mo suma obi obetumi ni mi aba be ye adwuma. Me probia obetumi ani me ababe yadwuma aba me ho ababe sradia amamwa enso so no me ne dadi hu kema ebeba mu ene na me.
Okay, eti what His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ewa batie mmoni nyina esem ti obi na me just ko ye beto aso kina what say asen not for aba amukotu ye sanda so na mapani kan yo aba amuko akotu Samo suma obia, monsuma obia, obetimi ni me aye adwuma. Monsuma obia, obetimi aba me Akufo-Addo ho, abeprim punto di amamo. Gradually, winner takes all no, enye hini ye, oh ye mem. Gradually, winner takes all mantra no, enye ehini o ya manyo semu ye. Man penisi aseno for monsuma obia obetimi aba meme Akufo-Addo ho abeprim punto di amam sani pa ne hwan NPP ni tientu abamfa machas opoku. Man peni wa ya de manfa udie ensianom ena no pedie me no wawie. And I do not tell my want to meet the Kumasi ya press conference. The anyone is sure was swani. Miss soon in the hounding in our say. a quite kesia bako ade kesia bako NPP ye wasantemantem swami interchange aso program no enkoso ene senior esie se mampena pa fa ma be hwa edu nyine kese beto NPP amanyoko President Akufo-Addo ye mrahye badwani emfinhia bese dumienu 12 good years 3 terms na ka yenim se mampai eba mrahye badwafo adwuma dia e kan puntuo ye kuma bi de hom but mampani Akufo-Addo ye mrahye badwani 3 consecutive times e ka kire se MP betimi akomampani wo akoprim puntuo de man dia ene esem puntuo nkoso wonpatamu obisa MP especially baby a MPs ewo Asantemantem kuta NPP MPs bebru aduanan yo Dr. Kwaku Otimbai Francis Contine constituency nipa besa 120,000 ye kwato aba no emu 80,000 na to aba de ma NPP in 2020 kwahwe makwan Penny Mampani Ketimpacho MP Woda Francisca Otain Woda, what is my baby for the kind? Was it ye penny po betimi aba ne ho or no kufa de ho? Abe prim put to the man manfo. Eye NPP mrahye bedwani. Francisca Otain wo ye NPP mrahye bedwani. Na se buapayo trimodin another constituency no eye business. Because Penny Mampani Kedi kwase okoma penny one more. Eye difficult the mount. Any question wo primpul to the amount constituency we ye NPP MP a ye difficult at the amount. Now back to the Swami Diano. Swami, they don't just have an MPO Swami constituency. Penny President Akufo-Addo kai it was Swami for nipa matu abadi amane say honorable or say chairman sabosu when you wicked. Ni timu thing wanwe mo ho. Penny President Akufo-Addo ekai. Because Honorable Osei Chemesabosu is not just a member of parliament. 1, he's a majority leader. 2, he's a minister of parliamentary affairs. 3, or a cabinet minister. Etiki yake swami mompa dia. Enye se ka wuntu mi kwatena press conference no. Swami asem no. Ye ka swami asem a ekanye se wontumi kwatena press conference ase na wo su no na President Akufo-Addo ka kire se monto abama nipa obetimi abame ho aba primpuntu Mr. President, with all due respect, since 1992, if my memory serves me right, the number of votes President Nana Addo Akufo-Addo when you're from Ashanti region, Seminsu na meka ebru mampeni biya so. Mampeni wapafo, can you give us one monumental project ya Akufo-Addo baye emfishian sumu ni we we wa Ashanti region ye na se ofri power Asante man woni bo so beka se ya fi Akufo-Addo one Mr. President, one monumental project in the Ashanti region. Yeah, within 7 years now, what's Ghana Banya so? Say and woman will buy na one project. Yeah, Santi Mabi two and Yaka say ya fear Akufo-Addo one. Masad was in champion because near what can't you into the chair say? And can only acquire crown so about whoa. Now MP sa wa Santa region and assembly pop on the floor and then print punto Emma 1 for because almost my car asante my how and functional. Men pick on Ashanti region so I'm going to punto no because of Asma Panica in here. And here you know should the say MP before Scasia per Asante Mantemu. It man Penia Casim at be ye need ya. Then you see a say MPs that was Asante Mantemu over 40 NPP MPs was Asante Mantemu say dear Nama Prediama Momamfo. Honorable say Chairman Sabonsu. Dr. Matthew Puku Prempe. Afija Kwabre. Anyone Mukaka. Nima Penny Ekanium. Say yan tua bama obia obetimi aba ono Akufo-Addo ho abe primpuntuo yan tua bama obi ye obetimi aba no efficient son temuni ebi so say one
monumental project. Yeah, anta Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Yeah, starting Ashanti region. Yeah, we 7 years munye. One. Na Santima Fankai NPP. He said, "Can we say bezine mampani kind so dia?" That means the MP say wa Ashanti region no. Or sa Santima say mo to ababi mo. Mo sa ti hu biem. Because mampani wa ye MP da o. Ena ne woka se bi enye bosem kan o. Mampani Akufo-Addo aye MP, wa ye minister, wa ye cabinet minister pay. Ena no ye Ghana mampani. Eti ne woka se wa ye penny. What ten ye woka na se ye. And say empuntu onkoso won patamu na so wasantema ntamu a oso to wofo say nipa wo to abade ma say MP no wo di wa bro abro no di wo maybe ebia no the position ade man here business ebia na onim because say ye MPs betimi akoma pani anim ene man pani akodi nkomo aprimpuntu di akodi a then ade na MP ntimi nyama wo. Honorable Sechemen Sabosu, una di domanim NPP ana wanna a forming majority of Marshal de Fiem no una tu omonim. O constituency saying eti ene swamefo samunya bibi amohwa efro Sechemen Sabosu President Akufo-Addo analogy. It tells us one near more power san kind of honorable or say chairman Sabosu kwa one can't President Akufo-Addo or something different. Niema padika no. Says Swami for a pebi bena some san kaya. It means some member of parliament or come and penny enim or nyama penny enim no nsia nobody come out one ne Swami home come out. Something different and worker. Because eka entisa. And you can say Kasabi, baby, our NPP, National, and can suffer per President Akufo-Addo's analogy. The swatch na me why President Akufo-Addo's work kind of and so any to another level. Better than me, Jinan, your kind of create so tell me the second part. Got lie, a true about the MP. That's how MP bet me now could draw a court. Mampani enim ene mampani akwakodi enkomo na se won ka wumpuntu nsɛmfa nkyɛ mampani dia ɛyɛ madue se na entete ho edu besia akopon ya no wɔkyena ɛbɛtoa
Tuesday 27 June 2023 Ghana's democratic credentials were strengthened even further following the conduct of peaceful and credible elections in our Senate by-election. I congratulate warmly the chairperson and members of the Electoral Commission again for a job well done. The security services are to be commended for maintaining law and order during the holding of the elections, as is the media for providing extensive coverage before, during, and after the elections. I congratulate the National Democratic Congress on its victory yesterday. I urge members of my party, the New Patriotic Party, to keep their heads up, recognizing that in a democracy there are winners and losers, and that we live to fight another day. We once held our Senate seat, and I am confident that sooner rather than later, our Senate will be blue again. And this is from our President, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. And from the New Patriotic Party, the New Patriotic Party congratulates James Jachikwesin, MP-elect for Asen North constituency and expresses its appreciation to all party faithfuls. The New Patriotic Party expresses its profound gratitude to all who contributed to the party's preparations for the Asen North by-election held on Tuesday, June 27, 2023. The leadership of the party would like to express its deepest appreciation to His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, President of the Republic, His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Vice President, Mrs. Akosia Freema Opare, Chief of Staff, Regional Chairman of the party, presidential aspirants, and the stalwart campaign team for their unwavering dedication, commitment, and overwhelming support. We are equally grateful to all ministers, members of parliament, chief executive officers, deputy chief executive officers, MMDCs, other government appointees, and all party adherents for their diverse contribution towards our efforts. While we had diligently worked towards reclaiming the Asin North parliamentary seat, we respect the decision and judgment of the people of Asin North constituency. The NDC's victory in the by-election adds to Ghana's democratic credentials. Indeed, the recent two by-elections have demonstrated the strength of the country's democracy, with outcomes favoring different political parties. This is a testament to Ghana's much-touted accolade as the bastion. The party extends its warmest congratulations to the National Democratic Congress and the Member of Parliament-elect for the Asin North constituency on their electoral victory. In spite of the conduct of some personnel of the Ghana Police Service that were deployed to man the elections, we commend the security services for their joint efforts during and after the elections. We further commend the Electoral Commission for ensuring a peaceful election. Finally, we express our gratitude to the hundreds of journalists who worked tirelessly and responsibly to provide up-to-date feedback from the Asin North poll for the benefit of all Ghanaians. The New Patriotic Party reiterates its unwavering commitment to collaborate with other political parties, key electoral stakeholders, and the people of Ghana to further enhance the practice of democracy in the country. The party views the outcome of the by-election as a wake-up call, prompting us to evaluate our approach, make rational retrospective assessment, and conduct thorough analysis. We urge our dedicated party supporters to submit their comments and recommendations to the National Secretariat of the party for consideration and possible implementation. And is signed by Justin Kodia. So quickly, the national organizer for the New Patriotic Party, Era Nana B. Nana, good morning. Apom to say.
Good morning.
Apom to say.
You
lost the election this time round, even with another bigger margin. What really was the challenge in Tia Ebasa?
On my medasi and the Wabija for name Pennyfoina. I think that beyond the margin, first of all, my young boy, a year NDC for Abaso. Omo Akukote, Nayambo Ira, Honorable Member of Parliament elect for Asin North, James Jetikwesi, the more Peninuso Abaso. Omayate. Omayon said, Nameno Kasa, a year Asempa, and I'm Sanu Dim Komo with videos me can say. We are entering Asin North in peace, and we are going to exit Asin North in peace. I mean, Tadia, man, yourself, Yabeye, Ehura Ebejo. Ehura Ebejo. Yebeja Kosra, and yes, you will call your buffo. In Union and Kosia Kan. And this is, yes, indeed, in Kuwa, Banyasan and Capeno. But we put in our all. I've been stationed in Asin North for 3 weeks. In fact, before the 3 weeks, I called Yakoku for 1 month. We need to be removed across enough. There was a united force right from national level, region, and the constituency. Mr. Enyebra constituency will also be appointed fingers. Now we are in our region also. We are in fact, every regional chairperson, so MMDCs, ministers, Nyamwa, Bibrina by the boy. So it was a joint effort. Near Asin North, electric, no mind. We need to respect that verdict. I was a issue say ampa nyoma no Omai City Kukumo. The people there decided to give us a bigger margin again from 51% in 2020 to 71% in the by-elections 2023. And I would say respecting the decision of Asen not for now you bought your in the NDC for Abaso. Say Omai idea. But the General Secretary of the party, lawyer Justin Fimponko Kansenbi, which is very important, said it is a wake-up call for the MPP. And I think beyond this call, no, what it can be viewed a year, Katan say, look, we have dream. They only see here. Now, it may apply even what even happened in Ukraine, even beyond us and North and other places. But for a Jumadin party, me and me will be a born home. Then I was a banner and up. And we need to move forward. I'm particularly happy by His Excellency the President. They cut out the banner and bring the nation together. That we in a build a democracy. See a Kwabatu, Ghana police, their presence, will be piano. Was fantastic.
I see.
Been a baby and koi piano. No, also presence. No, never come on. No, be a comfortable going about. The Juma Electoral Commission solid. A Juma Yepa. I am on 4 messages. Was Electoral Commission here, you may say, there was a million NDC for a bomb of us. So that's why I am not in some neck and go most of air and wash it. Yeah, we need to be measured in how we criticize these institutions.
Okay.
Ghana police for your which will be a bomb. In Joma,
Nana and Komodo Donau, I'm sure said this afternoon on
my Minzai and Kansimbi. Ubekaya, a year Sunday in the final rally.
Yeah.
A final rally on a brand now on the Monyan for opening Alan Kwajucha Martin Kasano. There was small, maybe a buyer that happened, and there was a communication lapse. Into Sabina Muno Ano Casano. The vice president wanted to get onto the stage before the president. Into handless, there was a communication lapse. Let me, as a national organizer, I take full responsibility for lapses by. Na menyina wa fidi so na in all humility may I apologize unreservedly for any you are Martin.
Okay. So
as a national organizer,
so you ever try and come on to a way, but probably to put it this way, Fena Martin lawyer a digital macro say time a call Kumauno. Now, me and Better Kasi, they couldn't put more numbers together. Now I understand because the new patriotic party, as of the year 8:30, we and Yomano, Nana being in a team. No, I think the Matthias said because the digital work will catch him and I said, after a while, I'm Lucy. So what do you need my figures for? Okay. So Bedasi, you may share your idea in Komoye. Yaba back to studio. Correlations era a community account on new team. No, o pictures about one thing. O she tries na o she you know obubu o tries na o na museum. Wow. What if I don't know?
Oh my did you can say me him say if the work must be done.
It must be done well.
I mean it has been our guiding principle.
Yeah.
So for me adwuma bi a de be shemensa jo amfa shemensa. And that is me since I was born.
Because you've seen some unyame wo one female.
No, that I didn't media answer. That I didn't media answer. Oh, friend. Oh, you had a bro. I'm just some radio.
And you tell don't be just what you say. I don't know why no we show them say. No use them one.
That I didn't media.
I see.
Na media answer.
So what was the message now they more
you be shasi ya the mechanic say yeda aseno fofasi. Nyame nhia omo so mo di ebuo mapa e de ma yen. Na nyansa semo a ye be ka kire omo no omutie na sopam mame member abutre polling station for Abaso. Donko Chrome, Bedia Dia, Rwanda, Antuabasa, the Bedia Dia electoral area. Madam Asepa for the warm reception. I think that your popularity, no, most more boy because so who you say on some of this stage, now if you in person, they are excited. And sometimes they think that they're catching behind, so be bang. And so, Medomasi for the show of lava or more Aquarius, so Jamia, Mechaupa, Medamasi. And then Mekai Bias, and I still stand by it. You be saying, I inform who you know, Makacha, Mumma 1,000 acres of land, maybe back, maybe giddy, domo, or Bedia Dia electoral area. Now, on my name, I will say, she never be brave, free, sir, by elections are Yakoi anymore. Never be brave, never say issue free. For me, for the NDC, this is not a time to boast. We've not gotten there yet. So we shouldn't be overly excited and go and sleep. We've not done anything yet. Now, more than we have seen. Let's stick together. GDA say, take it from me. Send this for you see our activity, a capacity. We can win elections in this country over 57% to 60%. I'm telling you. Say near Yako to the grounds, near Matutu ye, no BR show commitment. We can win elections in this country from 57 to 60%. And yes, we are then I share my strategies with you. I will never do that. I'm above that. But from what I have seen on the ground, because the NPP government is highly unpopular on the ground. Let's allow them to boast on the airwaves. Said yeah, I'm happy. Yes, sir, I'm happy. Now you're NDC for no now you communicate to the people ye. The GDA say yes, sir. Margin in 2024 no. Bekesepa. Omahine, the ma ascend of by election strong from any other elections, and they say, ascend of any NDC stronghold. It's not. Say a stronghold in the by election, also some man when they cry now, and no, it's quite different from Kumawu. Way different. Ascend of so here, now you're part of Ascend Central. Do you reckon Japan and a member of parliament for 16 good years? And so on, we divided constituency. Or we divided constituency, me, I mean, you are bad drawer and a picking up. And now, Jachikwisi Beji free in some. Even at the time of Jachikwisi Beji free as in or Beji free, many are bad drawer and Chino. Presidential Lusui with a bigger margin. So, I say north, it's not like, okay, and now I'm saying, yeah, more dear, magic, stop consoling yourself that way. And right from the initial stages, both political parties withdrew the battle line, winning on your platforms. We said it that you could test your popularity, and that you fan very very serious. Say you kotena enquiry near excuses. Into your fancy you not dear because you see not gonna for you any d side elections na chi. So into you ya famu and now. The rare picture no about one thing. My other thing I was issuing free I say no for this electorate no Ghana for so we ye amayoni na ubu Ghana for kwasia why na ubu hu kwasia they are wide awake yenjai dynamics no esesa kra esesa say by elections beba now fee say ubetimi atop crofo no sometimes in your stronghold it may work in your strongholds. It may work. But if you say, oh yeah, because of by-elections, who per se, oh yeah, development, oh yeah, quite now, we. I'm not for any kasa. Oh, sana ska over that. Oh, sana mo bit me aye. And by-elections are ma and kamwanye no. People are looking at it. And you see, I see not any different from the Ecoso Ghana baby. It's part of Ghana. In the Ahochina, Ecoso, I will marry baby, and there are some similarities. Over Jaboso consistency, any as soon as similarities bebree ɛwom okɔ ase nɔfa ɔmo dua koko paa so ata sɛ wobɛdwa abo so edua koko ubisa wɔ no mo a sɛnea me betena ha me ka sɛ yɛtɔ koko kuani no koko a yɛnyɛ sika ma no they were complaining saying sɛnea na yɛwura John Dramani Mahama ɛwɔ hɔ a na ɔmo free fertilizer no a na ɔmo nya bi no they were saying same ahokyere a yɛwɔ mu a sɛ me mpɛ aduasa yɛsika sɛm no agye agu no they were complaining same nti it's just a part of Ghana ahokyere na yɛden ɛkɔ soɔ no now you see ade ba kwa wɔsɛ hyɛ so sɛ ya manyoso ne your full stage bi ne yɛ kasa we must be very very careful president ɔkɔ hɔ no na ni kwansa ka man ko wa kra he didn't help matters because the message was poor. And you know, for me, naturally, you know my position on the president. I know the president is not an intelligent man. And I always say it everywhere. He's not an intelligent man. And when you take a script out of the president, and you been a course for the president to mount a platform. Now, I catch it almost say, Nipa much about money we or co-prison. A lawyer. The president of Republic of Ghana. In any case, don't forget to say, Papa no, sabi we end this in now. Or you are seen for this year. Do people say, you betcha not to campaign and I'm more no. We feel like you are seen for that now. Is that the case? You betcha not to. Now we say, sabi, you see a chain kakra on kase baby for me then I'm a fankodi. Na sa seven wo court ni enimye ya mampanyi tumi nya kukudro fu simpie so e ka se ye be chena to again mampanyi nim said the three arms of government no bia ne na dwuma no wa ka cha asen for say we hear a member of parliament and son na wa yempunto dwuma ewo a whole president and you think that you are bringing the president in to come and change something. And okasa years I na join na me so me see a radio station so na me call radio station that sana join I jumped onto radio station near tree ebo say you bet church anwia na obetugu wo manim so no and it was plain you were there message I make catch me say me boa you are unable to challenge me because you know what I'm saying is the truth. In every district the development agent is the district chief executive or the municipal chief executive. Fact. The representative of the president. You can say, if MP Niwa, you put you as a president, what are you talking about? In any case, President Nekasano, unim, then you really say, from 2017 to 2020, no. Now you are a member of parliament or MPP ni, he has forgotten. Or no can say, in Punche was sent off name because of money or member of parliament, Nico near the Adeno. Now you really say, from 2017, and now say you reckon Japan or your MPP knew it was 16 years. And I mean about do also. Yet, now no any development.
Okay, so you reckon Japan, you know. In 1992, with the records I have here, it was Francis K. Ezi, who was the National Convention Party. 1996, it was Florence Kumi, National Democratic Congress.
Yes.
2000, Kennedy and Japan. Yes. 2004, Kennedy and Japan.
Yes.
2008, Kennedy and Japan. 2012 was Samuel Ambre, National Democratic Congress. 2016, Abner Drua Mensah. And then 2020, James Jechi Kwesi.
Yes.
So
these are the facts.
It tells you that it is from 2000 to 2008, and Ira Kennedy and Japan. And I'm mobile taking over 2012.
From
2000 to 2008. And then Onipa 2012, Samuel Ambre.
2008.
But don't forget that it was just a constituency.
I know.
As
No, but I want to know when it became an independent constituency.
2012. Yes.
So then it means
2012. It was Samuel Ambre of the National Democratic Congress, and then 2016 Abner Drua took over, and James Jechikwesin of the NDC came back.
But I'm saying that, so it means that Kennedy
Have I ended my submission?
No. Oh, Debbie, let me present.
It means that Kennedy Japan Echo drew 2012.
Yeah,
and I'm
okay. Yeah.
So, Oman to about Tia Kennedy Japan.
No, Matthias, I just want
to. So that's one. That's point. I mean, and so a message now. No man pani edema. Asking for no poison. It was a poison the president was giving to the good people of Aseno. Because him say opese we yampuntu ya, and yet although a member of parliament will lobby and all other things, but sometimes I may be some who say MPP for men no more no, I no more win because all the decisions they take politically. It was avoidable.
Which one is that?
Sir, by elections, it was avoidable.
Why?
Okay, your strategy is that what say NDC for numbers so namu de kosoro. What battle out could do baby? You have succeeded in keeping the man out of parliament. Why don't you leave it there? Till even after the next election.
Una be prescribed. No, una be prescribed. You only talk about.
The point is that. Let me go back. I mean, it is just by the way. Let me go back. But the idea me person mechanism. Some person mechanism. How many you request and then what do you what you request any?
Oh, quite bad so.
Because Osha, even the ruling from the Supreme Court, I vehemently disagree. It was not fair to him at all.
Your disagreement is no problem.
Yes, you know me.
The status quo.
Fine. That is why I chose my words carefully. Please. If I could have changed the status quo, I would have changed it long ago. So don't let it look like maybe it's a status quo. Meaning the America.
Okay.
What I say. Do share. Idea of the world will be near Nania.
For
MPP4.
How is that possible?
Why is it not possible? Obia Oko elections. Free Abuchaba. Oko elections no. We denounce the citizenship, Canadian citizenship. We when you response from them, the certificates of realization and a delay, even at the time I got to Naba, even at the time of swearing in Naba. In any case, before then, this issue came up. He submitted all his documents to the Electoral Commission. Or the Electoral Commission, almost a corner kujina. Abano, Bakaleno, no kujina. Obedu Parliament, just so in a week crown. Even the common fund, a brand new ruling be a crime because you are not guilty until proven guilty. The common fund, the crime, the embagatuso. Papa, the bottom sika. Most of the development occurs so in the year. Inti, as a man for Nankasano, no more dear war. At some point in time, I'm leading candidate and I'm doing the call rounds. In any better radio so I saw a lot of things on the grounds. Me be con no see me wajane con. Me papa na when we prekope. Ni paso de ohunfo, o pam na o to ne bema. O pam ohunfo a o to ne bema.
So what message and I'm going to call a honor? That's the most important message. Because the if most call most misrepresented the reality of the situation.
They represented and county. But let me tell you, make a president today. We never represented anything.
Said likely.
Bibia, you can't hear no. I no correct true do. Until people need be any bit my contradicted.
Just saying.
Bibia can't. Just like I've explained. Say a crime band the first way you do her. I didn't think you could have been for. MPBA come in fear 9. So them chichi me. I don't want to repeat it. Afei, omonhwe. Sabi, ye dey embargo crack to the common fund so no. Aboa consistency.
One of the embargo too. Now common fund where the embargo. Even one part.
The man was not getting his common fund.
You know,
he didn't have access to his common fund. He didn't have access to his national health insurance fund. And that will challenge me.
No.
In fact, the man reached out to me on national health insurance fund. He reached out to me. Yes, he's unable.
So that was deliberate.
Why not deliberate? Deliberate. It was deliberate. These are the issues I'm talking to you about.
But so when you say common fund, as we speak, it's in
arrears. So when you say
it's in arrears.
Yes, that's the point I'm making.
Was there any official communication to that effect as a result of the
Well, that I don't have the authority to say it on record.
Okay, so
I don't have his authority
so let's
to
be
say it on
mindful
record.
how we pour out such information.
Which
to
one?
the people that it was deliberate by the.
It was deliberate. If it is not deliberate, I've gotten my share. Except on Onkwa. What is it?
No court, man.
Oh, but he has been in court for a very long time.
Okay.
But the fact that we court, no, and Chelsea we member of parliament.
Okay, you remember back to.
So I say the fact is that our court, no, and Chelsea or member of parliament. So for me, the person they can and say, I said that you remember I say no for na Ghana for na because obi o ha anko but oni obi wa say no. Ebi no musu pon to aba ho but on ba be campaign because omunim say we no ebe send a clear signal to government. Okay, we in come say, oh, breaking the 8 is possible. Breaking the 8 is possible. Sa nyema nyina no yakopa da ma yera in their speeches. So what I say, okay. It's a clear signal, but then I think that the NDC must still stick together and
but what role na musika na mo chair ne mo motors ne
Sika ben
Kuku cafe no.
Sika ben.
Oh, we showed it on Adom.
Why in the show, yeah?
We showed it on Adom.
Sika bia. But I me what no. Please, let's be serious on this platform. Me say,
it's a platform.
Listen, unfortunately for me, for the past 2 weeks, me come here TV that.
Okay, I'm saying that
for the past 2 weeks, me so that much me ba.
It's simple.
I'm saying
that
I will speak to something I don't have an idea about.
All politicians will not have an idea. It's about bribe.
Me say make a cat in some amati ibi chewa. So I say
you make the Matthew. Make the miankasa. May you on my TV show. May you on my radio show. I dance here.
So for example,
NDC4.
Me
you known NDC4.
Yeah, dispatching me no. Yeah, dispatching me no. Even as a member of parliament, Capre Croman for my because you can do it. Go. They also put your number.
But you supported some of your members with TNT and.
Oh, why not?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know how can no.
TNT. But
a bit for pram.
But definitely motorbike cannot be TNT.
What's it?
Cutlasses cannot be TNT.
Me man check cutlass.
So let's not.
Man check cutlass. And now even if even if member of parliament check cutlass and news, is it news? Member of parliament.
And I'm saying that.
Listen, I can't even be your church. Okay, if that is what you are doing.
Now, who admits
the cement. Listen.
What was the reason for that?
Very good. Into Uber corner, maybe this is gang. You do honor. No, I say honorable. What cheap compound now? Oh, yeah, no. I ye. Into a srawa. Then I bet my
politician.
Listen,
I'm going to justify.
What me see not make no, I think around that time I'm saying maybe 50 bus or something. No, I catch you say. Yakupon ya Adom. Na mo to abane mame. Na me ba. Me come on find na me insan kan no. So me insan kan. E be to aso. So those things I saw them. Why not?
Okay.
Those things I saw them. But say me omu 200 system omu cheche na me. Omu equalize that. That's a focus cano. Yaje. That's a focus cano. Yaje.
Oh, the way I can't do bread. Oh, the way I can't do bread. So I pay Ubusa no post and info. What in any year? We are then as video jitu. One kasi kan kwa waka niema. Osisi ka bike any quality we decide.
No me who be dey me dey what answer. But be man won man. Cement dem dey na koye. And omo yeah.
What was the relevance of giving the cement? Because we see all these.
Okay, so because you don't know the dynamics in the rural communities, I'm a member of a rural community. Me say, oh, your project be a self-help project.
Honorable Akando.
Tell me. I don't know who won the election. I mean, I'm a election that Jana Minchra. What election? I'm a election that you are a self-help project. If you also more project, even today, me I mean call by elections in my constituency. People are reaching out to me. For cement.
Okay.
Men call by elections.
No problem.
Even churches, as I speak to you now. If you are much of my sorry dying. Honorable, a person buy cement. The also for the making me go and catch
the lights. Oh, it's news. Lights and Breku had been off all these years. I'll be a member of parliament. The night I may call no more fixed light. That is because of not a normal parliamentary duties.
No, and you're Hong Kong. It is one of his track records.
No, I'm asking you.
Me break good. I was not in the break. But no. What can we do? No. Don't pin me down. I won't agree. Listen, what's Listen, in terms of light, do constituency anymore. On my catcher say, just a question. A video we can circulate. Just a question by near Bob's in Ranashi. Or buy no be replacing my internet there and routine across the constituency. So, that's what it is.
So Mema Kotubi, or you know Chrome say for the past 1.5 years, the lights have been off. And you when you gas the government in power. This is it. And they're going to build the member of parliament who is not getting his common fund. Such responsibility. Me say about shame the now shift to baby. Normal activity of a parliamentarian. Yes. I'm asking you a simple question. The import of the question is that inducement and those kind of things that they influence the elections. Because what share normal? What's one share? What Kasa say President Kasa and the Malco radio. So these are all
you are now rebutting the Memeka.
No, I'm telling you.
No, but you see, don't do this. Oh, yeah, don't do this. The catch out. Your name do what? Tie Kwabra. Your name do normal practice. Your name do also excessive. What me catch out say?
What makes compound a normal?
Now the two negotiations come out.
I can't do it.
Many years over because I'm
you know about na figures.
Debbie, me na person Kofi mo strategy did not work.
Me dia kan do ho ya. O ma me patcho ko internet.
Wandi mi ho ya kra nka ba mba.
Na kind the meaning of intelligence in tree. Intelligence in tree. O the coach
here. Internet na ko kind wo tree e wo internet na so.
Oh yeah, so you can translate it. You can kind intelligence e wo tree mu a. O say nyansa. Nyansa. And I kind of say President Akufo-Addo doesn't have it's not intelligent. It's not intelligent. Am I? Let me feel say some kauma akando trust.
So or refer there and I didn't.
What kind. Now you see, am I
said it.
Me ni akando ti he. Why mrashi bidwani for at least 3 times in the meboa.
The third time.
Anya hwe o yemi ni apanyi. Irrespective of my disagreements with Akando, mint na hanka say Akando nim nyansa. Me gidi se me kansa asemi wo ha obema matwensa. Ti na me ka say bia wadwene amaso. Ti Akando enema bi wo ha mesrew. Yemfa amanyosem entonchen. Se obetena fidi kase so aka say Akufo-Addo nim nyansa enye. Na me mpese be ya chinwa hwe nti na me call internet. And I'm saying meaning of intelligence in tree. And was in Nyansa. This is Kase President Akufo-Addo nim Nyansa. Adabraka. Mini onya kwenya atwesan. Ebia sometimes ye kasa. Utiminya a shoe be banner be a woka. Why drink cry? Because you see, communication is a very tricky business. So the be a kasa. Why do you need process or thoughts no? And you may be able to say something. Okrana echire boko echire na eno na na opeso ka nti me de be chemi nua panyin me nyin ni say that is what he thinks, and I think it is not.
Actually, me kind of meaning of intelligence, which we kind of so media my Google.
I didn't see.
Okay, so intelligence, the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills into bracket an eminent man of great intelligence. I mean, that's I'm more using in the context. What I say. So, my name Kosu, I'll come back.
I give you a main. Yeah,
I'll come back. What you make catch will be so incompetent, on trends. Yeah. And no, we catch it away intelligent. And no,
say if you are going to do justification,
I will. This has been. You are not.
Honestly, I thought to say. My junior. But that is not. You see, maybe then are not on this platform. Not on this platform.
I want to be on other
platforms.
But you justify it
on this platform and insult.
You justify it.
Nobody will sit on this platform and insult anybody. Not even hold on.
Go and Google.
No,
incompetence.
Hold on.
Google it.
Obi mono humodi and obi nimnyansa. Oya Kenny. That's a big difference. Don't do that. Don't do that. Obi anyho, and you can't even use that thread to say mobeti there. No, and the monko other platforms, but on this platform, as I sit here, nobody will be given that opportunity to do that. My junior Masudia, I don't have a problem. All draw my attention, but say pass it quietly because it mood do. But if you tell me that now you sit here as a host, you are incompetent. What is the bad feeling about it?
Let's go and Google the meaning of incompetence.
So what I say?
What Google the meaning of intelligence?
I see. My car chiro say wadaroma. Me see. That
one no there. Wo jitum. But dem me kan there onje ntum. That's your position. As far as I am concerned, any dey me ma ka chiro no. I believe that the president is unintelligent.
The
president is unintelligent.
It has nothing to do. But me can't kasa say, oh yeah, can ni sebi. Iti wadaroma ebia ubetima kasa de o kan. Nyesa na opese
They say worse things than this.
Well, maybe or not on this platform.
They say worse things than this.
I can't do. I mean, cancer. Ghana nyamu dia.
This is a defeatist approach. And then the woman people catch us again. I like that. I like that approach.
Let's not move into that.
I just want to clarify. Unimemra court a catcher Jachikwe since Mani holding herself as an MP. Okay, one sec. The ruling, no.
Yeah.
It went from Cape Coast Court and Saneba, I think, High Court. I have to check. And Saneba Supreme Court. Into yen checking mra court to catch Jachikwe since.
Don't hold yourself as
an MP. It was way before Parliament, Supreme Court ruling. And he said, I can't do bekase yen tuya Jachikwe sin bibi mana. Yen koshe mra na yen tuya sa ade ne nyeden ema no because say ye mra court to catch and say Mani holding himself as an MP, then what is the crime? Enti yen koshe emran man kan to musa who can say onya the payment no the common fund ne NHIS funding no na nka wo de mra ayeden ato ho afi apim sei bosumi sei now, ye de akototo emra court can say, don't hold yourself as an MP. Say Talia, then clearly
there's a problem.
There's a problem because abayin timi ntia woka abra court say unye an employee of Parliament. Me pacho what you say. We nneema bi wo ho ye frɛ no Russian tactics. Wo katum no jantro ni bi, wo jan nneema ni bi agu akiri. Hoping say nipa no emfa ni nyina nsie ni. How can say MP yentua o common fund ni yentua o fund na wo ye entitled to enya na wo te sa asem we what is that? What is Jachikwe in kasa asem we?
But I'm so privileged position because of
no but my point is Jachikwe in free say ye tietia ne fan ho di so a do you think Jachikwe is
one fund?
Yes. And you do obi ade amano ni tietia onunkwa
no odaso a member of parliament.
Odaso a member of parliament.
Say to be beside say as in onunkwa the single out
yes.
There emu
orem and emu orem a ufi sanken na akanda obeka kire.
So because ONT and
no, I'm not saying that. I've given you reasoning. Yeah. My reason with you, maybe I want reason with me.
I say, Onka, I say, yan shebra court to share say. On me myself,
but I say I can never
because I'm building a point. I've given you the base of my argument. I can't do. Pay attention to details. They said there once somehow come for a president to honor. Clearly, you didn't pay attention to details. As someone may can say, what is the base argument? The base argument in say, Obisi can ma identity ma.
Or a member of parliament.
Or a member of parliament. Identity ma. Emma da ben ama. na yen fan ko to emra court to catch and say do not hold yourself as a member of parliament because me know ya adwene say over bare 1 year ni na court to can asem na ma ono kra ba abontin say on fita o refi on feed the court to can refi asem so why
Obe air on the side of the law.
Yes. So why do we create the impression say
when the council on feed the court?
No, I'm saying the minority leader then said the NDC will rather choose to air.
Me say I can't papa no say Jachi Kwesin took the position that said he won't mind the court.
Did you listen to that?
Why? Because he still didn't.
Oh my. Why? Me stories ni biaji. Stories. I mean, I don't use the mean team now.
No, but how can I say be over here? Because no pay court.
On your court, the Supreme Court has some na make count.
Every court is court.
I'm talking about I can't do. Every court is court, but I'm talking about the first ruling in Free Cape Coast by. And son of the further ruling. Now, make sure said the first ruling in Free Cape Coast, but Urefi said that you question took a stance against the court in the canon. Why are we creating the appeal? Yeah, so I'm saying. But what are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? So why are you creating the impression I'm talking about Supreme Court? I'm talking about the first court ruling. Why you took a stance at the court, come on and I'm whatever. What are you talking about? I can't do me, but now I'm in the account. I know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, well, you go ahead.
So please, don't even go there. But I want to clear these two things. Let us be. My young fast the PSC, Emma Asen for. Me call about 3 weeks ago. And I'm a bank a few days. Me finish my master's program. Into weekends, I am a bank na minya America na me na me sa kwai na emre mienu a me ko ho ni nyina no asemfo J emfel so omuni ye di ni ye ene ye tena ni ye sabe obi o man ono onya adwene o ompe wasem no atwese kan wo so obi on so ono onya adwene ompe wasem so ono betena ho adi nkomo na wachire na adwene a ono onye no e wo mra kwan so sa pepepe na asemfo ye It me free say ni yie mu a oman na ye chichire Ghana nye MPP dia ena nye NDC dia e Ghana for dia it is a o straight to me free Ghana for na say Ghana for say omono wonya adwen emprempren ye nto aba ma wa me gidi say omokwan a Ghana mra ma omotumi emra no was promulgated by the people and for the people inti boni bi anim etoso bi ate se me nuanom bi e kire o madwene se asen project aban ye no onyai na yanto aba ma yen
na se onyai
mate tinsem ne bi wo mframam me mpese me bodi de me kan se aban enyai asen project a oye asen for ye Ghana for de aban e sha ase se oye ene ne wa ye ene ne ogusu ye nyina obeye man odie me call ye no me video de ba out ma Ghana fo nyina hu ye project a aban ye ene de oye enye nanu ne start ye de aka no aban be ye breku kwan a aban egusu a oye no obeye niema aka nyina aban be ye Ghana no mpesua no edoso 275 esi e che M1 ana development no puntu no ye che ne kakran na so bia so ene kra de sal say be ka ho ama na 276 enti asen for asen north aban enyimu ayemu ana yipamu eye Ghana ye niema ye wo no ana yisika ye wo no ya hoboa ena ye che ne kakran ma na so obia so aban timi nkomo hawo nyina amamo aban bia ni ho a obetimi akomo hawo amamo mamo nya ma adwene da say NDC in the event say in the unfortunate circumstances NDC ba ben mo omo be komo hawo amamo it's not possible because in 2012 NDC omo na ye omo hodi aban and almost a winning asin seat, asin north seat. Bampuntu nyuma na musu hui. O man timi anya amamo. Enu nti na musu hui. aban bia no ho betimi e de afe baako afe mienu awie mu ha onyana munya abotre na de aban ya amamu no ye ntonkoso ne ye beye yakase ye beye ye be se moto abaman ye manto abaman ye beye atoso bio me mo menua kando mo so abaso o ma ye adwumaden zi politics aye eni kwan se udi se otirimu se wan weni aba wa wie ye nyina no me de bia me da sori ade me kai me ho se magye atum se meye amanyoni no eye se me hu se nkunimdie beba na enkuguo nso beye den ebeba nti o man de bia me sori a me mpaya me ne nyame bɔ ne se edie na metimi aye wo me ankasa mabrabo mu a megyina me nan so se ne ebeye a enye Ghana aban tumi bi a me penti that's a menya matwesekan so every day even enrampo na me wo fa ye di hu nkoma say then na ye outside of politics say ne be ya ye ankase abrabo mu no de ye bia no
whether politics or no politics,
whether politics or no politics will survive o man ye mu bi eti hey aban ma ye car aban ma ye petrol aban ma but ye adwuma ne say ne ye because odona ye wo ma adwuma no nti say wo sa odone ma adwuma na say obedi nkunim say obedi nkukuo no eni kwan say eye wo haw ma nti say wo nua di nkunim na odi ni yi a bona baso mi hu akando nti say de na wo ka mi hu video no na akando adane ayi fisherman no namunsu mu onsu mi hu ye koko na we
mi bi go bi o ye koko fa afere wa tiesi
akando atiesi da kwasha de wale
anyway na beka na ma chem dem ko ye
oh da bi
o ko no kakra wa as an MP o de kakra she no so yeah if you on base camera we go dim say camera for where there will be any team
camera dey no mo ko ye we visa account ko ye
I've never taken media guy
on the personal thing on the personal thing
of course I won't take so my point is ya bo ma baso o ma ye adwuma so na o ma di nkunim de me hu ye ne say the NDC strategy was very simple. Hold on to your base. Because
maybe
hold on, because what we're in election which is 20 with 17,000 votes. Looking at the permutations, if you can hold on to your 17,000. Yes, until they just hold on to your 17,000. Don't do anything else. Yes, just hold on to your.
But it worked though, because Briku was 5-5.
That's it. So Breku ne dey catch us last omo winning Breku. Because Jachikwe is in free Breku.
But the presidential another won 12 out of the 13.
Yeah, I know, but we are talking about MP no. Jachikwe is in winning Breku. Because Oba no na ojina man no. So they knew say sa branti we chasopoku no so free Breku. Inti ye den a ebu beche. Into there 17,000 na onyan. So mu den. And that's what they did. Because we know someone, a better than say MPP, a baby signs 17,000. And it worked for them. And Obiko corners and the strategy work here. Obona baso, and you learn from it. The Ebebo Mabaso, na the Omoye no, Ometimi aye.
Okay.
2, police if also, Ebebo Mabaso. And Rami who say, I see doing Ketia, Ebo police for Abaso. Say IGP no, Maso Nashe. Na se say die omunsusu ye mu no omonti ase mu no IGP no is good.
But that is where maybe rapport for me catch NDC for say everybody is talking about electoral commission more there, IGP more there. The next time round no say bibi because be mo na mo say akotene man the same group of people now. Most of my there no. I feel the dey remember be say o makoto si o baby nti hold the akwamo. If you look at the commentary from Asin, time I wrap up and in paying for better, it was a fantastic applause for the police team, no, from the IGP to the last person. And then the electoral commission, everybody was now working in tandem. The amount made me boost our question is it that say we near there and now didn't kunimo baby and the chase in the what is right or otherwise? Because if we practice that, it becomes a dangerous thing for all of us as a country.
But no so nkyerɛ sɛ bi a so bi yɛ mfom so a wontimi nka sɛnea isi betimi ayɛ mfom so ɛsɛ yɛ ka but ɛyɛ ka ɛkwan a wɔbɛfa so aka no
okay
sɛ isi yɛ mfom so a the fact sɛ ɔma bɔ ɔmo ho mmɔden nne yi
ɛnkyerɛ sɛ kyena wontimi nyɛ mfom so
anaa police ntimi nyɛ mfom so so you can say it but ɛkwan a ɛne the posture you take and now wabɔ ne ho mmɔden no wayɛ din sɛ kyena wɔyɛ biribi na ɛnyɛ yi a criticize adeɛ na wayɛ no constructively but men critique the impression say omonyo enye but what you say because sɛ nyanka ene no wanye ne yi enti sɛ de wayɛ no da foforo na mfunso ho
esi to bi abamu
siton kasa sinton ho asɛm but sɛ obesopa adwuma isi ye nyina no wagu ne ho animu ase nyina no ɛkyerɛ sɛ wunni credibility. You must be a person of credibility. To be a person of credibility, yeah. Humra, obeka ni person, and kwanya obefa so abede.
Okay, so
cool. Hey. Oh, na me cramming kasa. I started talking at Afei, unim say na me hwɛ Wazer TV.
Yeah.
Me hu say omo aye omo coalition. NDC for.
Yeah.
My own coalition now ways of all projecting on the screens. So they've realized that sa coalition no. They said I see them get G2 more audio say 2020 no cry no. Abanu we na omo results cry they weren't sure. But they've learned from it because you could see say Wazer was projecting everywhere.
But lawyer Judy Tamiklo say na me din kugu.
Yeah.
Edi empire na memfa mabato won hye ene kumawu die no edi empire na memfa kumawu abato
na no nim so odi nkuko 2020 na no no obenya 2020 no nim so odi
edi we die wo hwa omo ho ye hurricane mo evident nkunim no
e
wo mafa
you know I mean I'm saying all of these things to say ye wo ko kese ne wo ye nimu nti de wo ye ne no e kina ye behwe anamo a wutu ni na ye bo wabaso no e kina ye behwe edi se kina ugu hu fi ne e ka kire wa enano wa no ene ba ye omampanyi abo abaso party NPP ya ba aboso mabetena ya ba abaso obia si NDC for mabo mo homodin oni me organizer kasa waka ye nyinchim wo ba bia ya ti ase say yedi nkugu ye members ankogina ba bia nye owie ne bia obia nso pa isi obia nso pa obia ya ti ase sa pepepe na ye nyina ye nkon.
Okay, Kofi, me that.
Now, oh, o man asa me afa na me be kasa.
Kofi no.
No. Lastly, what am I making results no answer. MPP push results here by here. Your problem enye John Mahama. Your problem yankasa. Because o share your results na. Who say your results na yeden abafom. So we couldn't even maintain the 14,109 na inya. Abafom. And post-election analysis kakra ya ye ne kire say yen kofo ni bebre ebo nyu ne ma bi so. Enti se ye bedi nkunimu a ti say na holding on to your stronghold Kumawu. In fact, Kumawu 2020 last election, yenya more than even 2020. This year, we holding on to our base. But DNS ye as a manufacturer, as MPP4, ye base sebe a bufua ba nipa bebre bonyu niema bi so. Kwan be na aban no any party ni faso se ne be ya ye manfo omudi atwi doyen no. Yebeye niema ma omobo ene omakoma atomoye. Because if we are going to lose the 2024 elections, it is not because of Mahama. It is because niema bi a ye yan kasa ye ntimi antutu ne. And only lesson amimi hu ye e wasen.
Mame ndase. Oh.
Yeah, because a few things now. Number one, sorry, many wedding come over for the so for some time in the year you may actually they're making the maker, and it's not my style to be insulting.
Okay.
Now, so me used to wear the be I will chima mechanic chi. But some kind of brofo. It doesn't lie within your mouth to interpret it for me. What I say? Now, brofo na me used to no. I'll just leave it there. Make kind of meaning. No me jano. As for the tree, how you will interpret is your own.
Do we really have to do this?
Please, it's very important. It's about my integrity. Please, it's very important. I won't take that.
No,
I won't take it. I won't take it. So, you're not time in it. I won't take it. I won't take it. So please, obi a Google, no. So that if they judge me according to the content, I'm ready to hold up to that, but not your translation. So listen, please, listen. Listen, or say intelligence, the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. This is the meaning of intelligence. Your ability to acquire knowledge and skills. Nyansa Tree Custom is completely different ball game altogether. So you can't come and sit here and interpret intelligence to mean Nyansa. That is why I'm saying that where you were treading towards was dangerous, and therefore you needed to be. He was dragging you into a ditch, and you followed.
No.
So please, I have read a meaning. Please, Let us not go there. So then, person because the president Nyansa, come to me. Can I catch you? Kwabena tie me. What they tie me? At time na so tie me. What I will show you. Me we kura betimi akasa ma de achi. Kwabena tie me. So then, person me catch you. You trip can here. You trip can here. The person me catch president Nyansa. I mean to be nka.
Into the walking kind.
Into the market kind.
Coach we catch ma de nka.
Actually, say nimidie bi obia. Nimidie bi and skills crying. Knowledge is about nimidie, and skills is something else. I mean, more skills. I mean, the three people should help me. So knowledge and skills is different from Nyansa.
Not only
nimidie bi.
Disana na opeso che.
That's how me kai. I use an English word. So don't drag me there. I know what I'm saying. Please, it's an English word I use.
The same thing here. To
Yes, I agree. And no, me ba dwumadie so. Now chimi to go temu a. I was saying first me yin ho free.
Obia ni ho a bo apayom. Ebia baabi no be ya maka kiro. Obetwa go. Obia ni wa bo apayom mo obia to.
But now okay, also mene. And you went along with him. That's my disappointment.
Because I'm right.
You are not right. What I've read here.
What have you read? Unti the okay. The okay say. Nimdie bia mampanyi ni.
Very good.
Nti ema enoma bi okeka.
Fantastic.
It will apply. Nti enkase obi
what you are doing in journalism, what you are doing is that me make some normal different meaning. Listen, me say
you are just being disingenuous.
I'm telling you, I'm surprised how you
don't let us change the words here.
Make I go for kasa. See why not say you know say nimdie. Me you so aware that was it
exactly. They na friend. Enti nimdie ni yansa to say
Oh my mentra.
Nimdie ni yansa to say.
O kan ade akando kan na.
Please,
ti akando ti. Akando me ba.
Please, atiefo my target is
no, your target is not anything.
Atiefo.
Your target is not anything. What can stand by it?
Please. I stand by it. Please, atiefo.
Okay, so come
I'm winding up.
I watch you.
I'll respond. Oh, Mama, I'll respond. Mama, winding up. Let me make the point for people to understand.
I
sit in the platform and say
the president is not intelligent. That's why I stand by it. Who I can't do intelligent. It lies in your
who intelligent. Who intelligent. No, man, call that way. I never call that way.
Who are you intelligent? Thank you. Mr. Margaret is president. Margaret is so I know your Margaret. The president is not intelligent. I will need my people don't permit to buy a Margaret.
But so to fa. The need is a fatan. I saw the need is a fatan man.
And next time to mention Margaret when the
fantastic. So let's buy a Casabia to was it. And shut down fun cosa. The same person, the Nick Piaco. Dia ukano odi nimdia be obi nimdia enyam fom so
very good
so obi nim nyansa akwan nyina so e yedidi ati
fantastic
eti na we dey bibibi
ya bi o se me ka se president nim nyansa na wanti o se me se president nim nyansa
e beleti ai na fa wrap up my
oh okay so
na na do see economy ni air bounce back.
Why? Be na flash house number 1. Be na ho dia any MPP for
Ghana flash house.
When you say inflation in my region Western North, and I'm best 77%.
Why?
Western North.
Why? What's happening there?
Ghana statistics.
What's happening there?
Food inflation.
Okay.
It's about 77.
But it's a farming community.
You understand? So ask yourself what's happening.
No, it's a
what
farming
is really happening? You see, that's why when they say there's a wake-up call, it means they have been sleeping for a very long time. They don't know. You know, the president gets daily briefing every day.
Of course.
So the hardship, it's not about Ube Sabe in EU. It's about developing the country. It's not about, if you go to Kushia, in that arsenal, it's a very strong hold. Go and look at the results of Kushia. Intino, it's about doing the needful. I want you to know too much. Inflation, His Excellency, the Vice President, that's not kind. If the fundamentals are weak, you'll be exposed.
It's a fact. It's a fact.
Now, in 2022, when you say dollar, no, if we 6 cities, echo hit 15 cities. Now it's even hovering around 12 cities. These are the issues. Inflation, exchange rate,
fix it.
Do you know that food inflation is going to double in next year? You know why? Even in this year, inflation, food inflation, even without taxes on input. Now, Makwaba, the tax at 2 sanitary parts. Makwaba, the tax at 2 agriculture inputs. They say, I'll cry fertilizer about how would be doing by now, tax that's so. Agricultural machinery, tax that's so. Maybe for the Christmas. So the quota. So that is what is going to increase the food, what do you call it, inflation. Don't let anybody deceive you. That's why I don't know the handlers of the president. Because you are going to see more hardship. So pay your own budget at the parliament and the figures. It shows that we are going to see worse things. Okay, it is getting back. People are laughing at you. Make out say
Ministry of Agriculture. That in December to you.
Fertilizer
on some hour.
What you done them?
Ministry of Agriculture.
I'm December to you. I'm a year for so.
Champon. Hey, Didra. Or born home on the one.
I'm a year for so. My hair start. I'm a year for so.
Yes, go be for
One were there on the account. I am in. One were there. I am in.
So, it is here. We are better.